mind glowing. Formulas flashing, minds wide, knowledge flowing. Equations on the board, numbers never sleep. Teaching math and physics while them haters count sheep. Actual education, tune in and get schooled. Flipping textbooks, breaking all the rules. From Newton to Einstein, concepts elevate. Keep the stream, it's the key to our fate. Dr. Gold dropping gems, knowledge raining down. Actual education making scholars all around. Perpendicular minds, angles sharp as ice. Maths and physics, yeah, the future's real nice. Got the Pythagorean triangles about to flex. Quantum theories on deck, breaking all the specs. Relativity theories, worlds getting small. Grasp the universal laws, standing tall. From the atom to the cosmos, we rolling deep. Grazing out the stars, no time to sleep. Black holes and supernovas, concepts we unfold. Brain power heavy, yeah, that's Dr. Gold. Dr. Gold dropping gems, knowledge raining down. Actual education making scholars all around. Perpendicular minds, angles sharp as ice. Maths and physics, yeah, the future's real nice.
There's my soundboard. Alright, what's up, everybody?
Oh, no.
Let me start doing that here. Alright, there we go. Share the screens, all the fun stuff. Good. I need our lo-fi music. Where's my lo-fi music? Lo-fi. There we go. We're gonna give you some ad. Oh, I don't want this ad. Stop. Oh, God. Oh, they make things so difficult sometimes. Alright, where's my music? There we go. Oh, much better. Alright, connect. Activate. 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 There we go. Okay, sweet.
How
What's
your
up,
days
Jeff?
been?
How my day? My day's been good. Yeah. What did I do today? I did leg day today, so I went to the gym.
Sanders posted another geometry problem.
I'm sure he did. Well,
Which is
what's
not-
up?
which-
Hello, coggers.
Here's the good news and the bad news of that.
Mm-hmm.
It's a nightmare.
It's a nightmare. Uh-oh.
But I know what to do. I know what I'm doing though.
But he knows what he's doing. Wow.
I
Love that.
know what I'm doing.
Well,
I know the way to approach it.
If at least somebody knows what they're doing, then we're okay.
But it's a nightmare to do. To your point, I still have no idea. We tried it and he had to stop. So
Obi tried it on his stream, did he?
yeah.
Well, Obi's smarter than me. What? What's up, Sensation? Good to see you, dude.
What you doing, man?
What you do, man?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 6 on Discord at the moment.
6.
Including your
wow.
2 you posted yesterday. So
Yeah, we'll see if they come by. If they come by, I'll do them. Otherwise, yeah. Jeff says, so you'll be proving everything in lean today? No. I saw Jeff on another stream today. Yeah, it's one Sensation actually suggested. You suggested this guy, right, Sensation? What was his name? Math Spellbook or something? Math Spellbook. Yo, what's up, Nick?
We could do that tread proofing one and have it ready to go and done so we can just talk about it. Because it's not bad.
Hey, yeah, that one's not bad at all. Yeah, we'll get to it. We'll see.
We can do that one out of the way now. Yes. And then I'll start with Santrix. So that's gonna be the long one.
Shantrix, yeah. I'll save Shantrix for
That's
kind
the one I
of
have
towards
an
the end.
approach for, but I don't like it. I'm a fan
Also,
of
I have
approach for
I have to make sure we do some with Nick because Nick's isn't your TrackMan exam work thing tomorrow? Is your TrackMan exam tomorrow?
In 2 days or something.
2
on
days.
Sunday.
Yeah, this is the
This is my
last stream of the week.
Stream. Yeah.
Last stream before you become a TrackMan.
Or hopefully become a track man.
Yeah.
We're gonna manifest yes.
Or hopefully not become.
We're gonna say he's becoming a TrackMan. He's gonna be a TrackMan. But yeah, Matt Spellbook. I saw him earlier today. I saw Jeff here on the stream. Yeah, new streamer, 50 followers. You know, he's getting up there. So yeah, make sure to go follow this guy if you want. He's cool. Nice. What's up, Mondo? Mondo in the house. Mondo, when are we playing the finals again, dude? Season 6 comes out in like a week, right? Oh goodness, teach me Poppy. You concern me. I shouldn't. That hat is ballin'. Thanks. Yeah. It's. I think one of my sister's ex-boyfriends got it for me.
You done messed up, Aaron!
For like Christmas or something. But yeah, Matt Spellbook is cool. Thanks, Sensation, for pointing this guy out. I'll forward him to Penn. But yeah, he was doing a cool stream where he was using Lean, which I think is kind of a computer program for doing math proofs. From what I could understand. So it looks cool. Because I know a lot of times kids see math proofs and they just get really scared. Because there's not really much of a structure of how to do things.
Okay.
And so, yeah, you like Lean? Yeah. Well, I've never used this thing before, but it looks cool. It looks like a computer program or something. So yeah, cool stuff.
Wait, spell that. Is it says lean? Because I don't see it.
Oh, you don't see? Well, I mean, I don't see it in. Yeah, sorry. It's called Lean. I don't know. This is what it looks like apparently in his stream. I mean, if you want to look at what like Lean math language, I think it's a math language, it's like a coding language. Jeff says it's nice because it doesn't allow you to make mistakes. There you go. Lean, the programming language and theorem prover, apparently. That's pretty cool. People are like, nah, it's fucking.
What does it do?
It's like an app, I guess. You know, I should ask. What's his name? Math. Can I shout him out here? Is he on my stream? Shout out at Math Spellbook. I'm gonna try it. What's up, Chance?
So, do you have any announcements today?
Yeah, I'll get to them. We'll get to them. Anyways, this is a cool like programming language thing. I guess from what I could understand from his stream, it's a way to basically use coding language like logic in order to do math proofs. So I thought that was pretty fun. Anyways, yes, news. Well, we hit 1,500 followers yesterday, so that's dope.
That's dope.
Appreciate that, everyone who's been watching. I set a new goal for 1,600. Let me see. Did it update? Yes, it did update. It updated to 1,600. Okay, cool, nice. All right, so that's set up. That's good. Otherwise, there's So Zach is doing an event on Pi Day on Friday. I don't think I'm going to stream. I will be on his stream. I will be like a guest on his stream, I think is what's going to happen. So come on.
Not co-streaming? No.
Yeah, well, I don't know how the co-streaming like works.
It's easy. You know how you do it? You stream. He streams. You push knock.
What do we do?
He sets up not, and then you push not, and then it's.
Oh, really?
Not Twitch. Not on Twitch. In your.
Oh, on my like stream managers. Oh, knock. Oh, it's called knock. Oh, I know what you're
Just
saying.
look up knock on your search engine, so you can find it. Knock on Twitch.
Oh, okay. Yeah, maybe I will knock him then. I want him to control the show. This is his whole like event and stuff. I don't want to like steal from him. So like.
It's an affiliate only thing, but it.
What's up? Not even trying the boss. The boss. Oh wait, not even trying the boss. Did you submit a question yesterday, dog, on our YouTube channel? I think you might have. Who was it? Oh yeah, not even trying. It was you. Yeah. You'll knock him up, dude. I don't think I'm allowed to knock up Zach. He has a wife and kids. Anyways, yes, this is going to be happening on Friday. So come on by. Either 2iPie, Zach is doing, I think, a new game he's making for Pi Day. And it's like trivia, so it's really cool. Oh, not even trying says, oh yeah, sweet, okay. Not even trying. Do you want me to go through your question you submitted from yesterday? Because we'll do it.
What was his question?
It was about partial fractions. It was a pretty cool one. I like partial fractions. Yeah, partial fractions are dope.
That's dope.
Anyways, so yeah, that's gonna be on Friday. That's the only big announcement I have. I'm working on getting an AMA guest for the next Friday. We just created a new website for it. If you ever want to, tell your friends and family to come be on our podcast, I'll show it to you. Actual.education. And then on the website here, if you go to events, well, I think you got to hover over it. There you go, podcast. Yeah, so here's the link for it. But this was the little website we put up. Be the inspiration, be a special guest for our AMA podcast, empower the next generation. And so if they click this button, the apply now, it'll take them to a Google form where they can apply to be a podcast guest on one of our sessions. Also, they can click this button and then see all the previous episodes that we've had with guests on. If people want to get a feel for what the hell this is. So, yeah, here, little thing, shape the future leaders. Do you want to make a lasting impact on the kids? Why should you do it? I like to emphasize that it's a rare chance for real talk, because I feel like the atmosphere at which we do things, you guys tend to probably listen to our guests a little bit more than, say, for instance, you watch some shit on like Fox News or CNN. Because, I don't know, I feel like it's more relaxed, it's more chill, nothing's really scripted, it's all live, so yeah, and then, telling people, leave a legacy, And also, yeah, we welcome guests from all walks of life. I have a lot of people that get kind of nervous at first because they say, well, I don't really have an interesting story, or I'm not super cool, or I didn't discover fusion or something. And I say, no, dude, I don't care. Everybody has a cool story to tell, and just by the nature of you being 15, 20, whatever years older than these students, you've experienced things in life that they haven't, and so you can offer some advice on what they can do as they, shape their academic and personal journeys. Could a guest theoretically disillusion kids and help them realize their lives are useless? I guess they could, but my job as the host is to make sure that doesn't happen. So, yeah, Jeff, you could.
Cool, don't go
Jeff,
there.
Jeff, you trying to be my guest, dude? Anyways, so yeah, if you know someone that, I don't know, maybe your parents or an adult or someone who would be a cool guest for us to be a cool guest for our podcast, please send them this link, and we'll go through it. Yeah, I have some of you have been around for all of these people. Alex was a guest once. Perry was. Jess, we just had on, right?
I'm saying the kid that always comes here. Alex's grandma. Bring her.
Yeah, we should have Alex's grandma on there, right? The ex-president of Puerto Rico or something?
Yeah.
If AI doesn't take your job, someone smarter than you will. Yeah, maybe. Anyways.
You're going to hate me for this one.
Oh, what am I going to hate you for? Are you going to put a funny meme up?
No, on Discord. It's only running at 720p.
Yes, I'm doing that intentionally because my PC is having problems doing 1080 on Discord, in addition to doing TikTok and YouTube and Twitch. I have to start diluting something. That's just from a processor point of view, which, yeah, I'm already hitting 50 frames, which I want 60, but we don't really need to see math at the full 60 frames, so it's okay. Somebody buy me a new video card, please. Thank you. The mustache is great. Whose mustache? Whose mustache is great?
Who changed my name?
Oh, David Chester's mustache is great. Yeah. Bruh, 56. Yeah, what's up, Zach?
Yo, who is John Henry? Who changed my name?
I don't know.
Discord.
I don't know. It's maybe
Who has the ability to change
well,
the name?
Sensation's giggling, so he probably did.
Nah, that's crazy. Nah.
Have I looked at Restreamio? Yes, you can use Restreamio, Jeff. The issue I have with Restreamio, A, it costs money. It's dumb. It's like $15 or $20 per month, and then B, also.
Anyway.
Pardon?
He said it's shit anyway.
Yeah. Sensation says it's shit, so we'll trust him. But also, there's a massive delay then. Once you pipe it to Restreamio and then they gotta pipe it as well, it introduces like a 20 or 30 second lag, which for me helping students is super annoying. Anyways, so yeah, no, it's all good. I just need to upgrade the video card, the second video card in this at some point, so I'll do it.
I made fun of Sensation's hair too much. He renamed me.
Is this his lack of hair? Maybe is that what it is?
Look, you want to be a trackman and you don't know what John Henry is. Go look it up.
No, I know who he is.
Oh, he wants to
I
be a
was just
tracker.
so confused.
Anyways, we're gonna do this question. So yeah, Zach, I was announcing your thing for Friday. Maybe Zach, do you have an announcement on what's going on with this? Maybe is it in your Discord? Sorry, let me check. Is it in your Discord?
He does. He does.
He does. All right, let me see. Sorry, where is it?
It's under the 16.
Hello.
What's up, Ethan? Good to see you. Sorry, which channel is it under?
Yep.
Under 16 trivia, I think.
Oh, is there
Or
a whole
under
channel for it?
Broadcast announcements, one of the two.
Oh, broadcast announcements. Here we go.
Or it's under.
Oh, nice.
16
Here we go.
trivia. There.
Oh, okay. I should actually read this. My bad. Okay, so yes, it is happening. Oh, it's happening at 2 p.m.? I thought it was happening at... Oh. That is 3 o'clock Mountain, which is 2 o'clock my time. Yeah, got you, Zach. All right,
Yes, it's 2 p.m. your time. Yep.
cool. Okay.
If you see those little gray bars around the times,
Yeah, I see.
those gray bars mean their times are coded in to be your time.
It's a custom-built game. This is so cool, man. What? You built this game? Is this, Zach, is this part of your big project you were doing? You said you were working on a project last time we had you on. Some game thing. Yeah, okay. Nice. Okay, I will be there for that. That's going to be super fun. That's on Friday. It's on Pi Day. Okay.
Man, why have such cool events on the days that I work?
I don't know. Just life happens. You know, it's okay. Maybe Pi Day will be on a Saturday next year. Okay, so
Really?
I don't really know what the game specifically is going to be, but I'm going to be there. I'm going to show up. It's going to be
A lot
fun,
of trivia.
and we'll see what happens. Yeah,
And a lot of
so
math.
cool.
If it happened to me,
It's
then I
gonna be
would.
a lot of trivia. and a
If
lot
it
of
happened
math.
to me, then I wouldn't pretend.
It's going to happen on Friday. Okay, cool. All right, here.
Okay.
I think that's all the announcements for today. One sec. I got to start. Let's do this question, and then you guys can tell me other things about life, but let's go. All right. Welcome, everyone, to Actual Education Office Hours. My name is Dr. Gold. This is a stream that helps you out with math, homework, science homework, all the sorts of fun stuff.
Perfect.
Okay. I think this question came from Not Even Trying, and yeah, he's confused about the AX plus B part. I know exactly where you're coming from here. This is a mess.
What if you want that?
This is a
to write
mess of a
this
partial
in?
fractions, dude. This partial fraction sucks.
So what does he want?
He probably wants just to like decompose this. Is what it is. Okay. So this
shoot,
is
I thought this was his factor. I thought this was his factor.
no.
not
This is partial fractions. So this is 5x, and then it's x minus 1. We're gonna use some calculator stuff here to help us with
definitely.
the linear algebra, because I'm not fucking doing a 7x7 or whatever.
Before we do that, there's another nightmare in here.
Yeah.
There's another.
What's the other nightmare?
Add squared plus 2. That is not a.
Well,
That is
this.
not a binomial.
This is squared plus 2. Yeah,
That's
I
not
know.
a binomial, which means that
It technically is a binomial. Binomial means 2 terms. It's technically a binomial.
in the sense of x plus something. X plus or minus
Correct.
something.
It could be x plus whatever. It could be cat
So
plus
we
dog.
can
Just means two
easily
things.
decompose that down to.
Yeah, so we're gonna get into this. So there's a couple there's a couple trickiness things to this. Jeff says, why decompose it? It looks fine. Yeah, it's fine just the way it is. Yeah, what we want to call this, like partial fractions body positivity or something? But no. The issue is that I can't integrate this. This is difficult to integrate in this form. And so the best way to integrate this is to write this out as a bunch of different factors. And how that works, okay, is that we're going to end up having all of these things as like individual stuff, and then we're just going to add a bunch of them up. Okay. Now, there's some rules to this. And this is why this one is a little bit trickier. So, first of all, this is going to be some underdetermined coefficient a over x minus 1. I agree with that. That's cool. Now, this is where things get weird, because this right here is not a linear factor. It's a quadratic. And what we know is that
if you want them,
quadratic factors have the form ax plus b. This is the form for something quadratic.
what we
If something
can-
is
there are-
q's
there are-
it...
what we
What's up, Seth?
we can technically do is I know that's x minus square root of 2 and x plus square root of 2.
Oh, if you
Right.
if you want...
Nope, I'm alright. I think.
No. Yeah, no. You're thinking about solving for 0. Yeah, no.
That's what I'm doing. I did. I see.
Yeah.
Thought my name.
It's okay. If it was a difference of squares, we'd be cool. But it's not.
No. Big mistake. You know what it is?
Yeah. It's
that
a sum of
thing
squares.
doesn't have zeros.
It doesn't have real zeros. It doesn't have real zeros.
Yep, that's the main. I
Okay. Anyways, yeah.
it was
So
inserted-
this is of some form, usually ax plus b, which if we've already used a, now we got to shift down into the undetermined coefficients. So this is going to be bx plus c, and then this is over x squared plus 2. All right. And then now for this one, this is where things start to really hurt. This is cubed. Okay. So I'm going to have to do it as d over x plus 7 to the first plus e over x plus 7 squared.
Is there not a better? Is there not a?
There's no better way to do this. This is the way. Yeah, this just sucks. Plus f over x plus 7. I mean, if you can find a better way, tell me. But I'm pretty sure this is how you got to do it. What's up? What's up, Adarsh? What do you have about Seth?
I'm happy about one thing. You are a matrix. You know matrices. I do not.
I do matrices. Yeah. What's up, Hassan? Hi, dude. Yeah. What's going on? Anyways,
you know them. I do not. Which
we all learn it at some point.
This is a nightmare set. This is an.
So, not even trying the boss. Does this make sense so far? It is gonna be a nightmare system. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That's why
it's
you're
a 6 by 6.
That's why I'm happy you know matrices, because I don't. Because I would have to do.
Oh well, then we're gonna teach you. We're gonna teach you today how to use matrices. Matrices are cool, man.
Well, I know some, but
he says I know some. Yeah. So this is how you would break it up, at least. And this is using all the rules. Makes more sense. Okay, cool. All right, now let's actually do this. I'm gonna slog through this. This is gonna be brutal. Like, you know, watch out. We're about to break some stuff.
So and this is probably as nightmarish as Shantrits when I'm going to show you how to do.
Oh, you're okay. Not even trying. Yeah, the stream is a little delayed. Yeah, I appreciate you being on at least. Okay, that's
probably going to be as nightmare as the one in Shantrits that I'm going to need to show you.
Well, this is just mechanically brutal. Is all.
No, I'm saying it's. You know why I say mine's going to be a nightmare?
Why?
Mine's about as much work as you're doing for this.
Okay, well, we'll see.
We're gonna have to do. It's a lot of work. The mechanics is nice. It's the work.
Yeah, the work is sloggy. So yeah, if a teacher put this on like a test, this would be.
Oh no!
This would be really bad. Because this is a time waster. It's a time waster. Fucking bollocks. Do they even still do those?
I call fucking bollocks.
Yeah, this is fucking bollocks. Honestly, do they still do like now? Is that what I call music? They still do the compilation albums.
I think there was one recently, but I don't know.
Okay. Anyways, we're going to take this whole thing and multiply it all the way over here on the top, okay? So that means this thing is going to go on everything. So here you go. So it's going to hit this. Okay. Plus, yeah, it's going to hit this.
Yuck.
Yuck. I know. We're just going to run out of space, honestly.
Oh, you do have a calculator, right? Yeah. That's in the tab to do matrices, and that's Dutson.
Yeah.
Well, I know when that does. I know when that will.
Yeah. I need to move this over.
I know a tab that will do this for us quickly if we write it correctly.
The issue is going to be like all the expansion. All the expansion is going to suck, dude.
Duh.
And then here, let me just copy this.
It's not going to suck. You know why?
Why?
Binomial theorem.
What does the binomial theorem tell us?
A plus b to the squared power is the same as a squared plus 2ab plus b squared.
Correct. Yeah, that's for the squares. But then we're gonna have to know that. Yeah, we're gonna have to know the binomial theorem for the cubes.
We can easily find the cubed one.
Yeah.
And just put in check.
All right, this is E, and then this is F.
That out.
Okay. This is going to be E.
Right binomial theorem. Hey, well, you do that.
And that's
I'll do binomial theorem.
Is the binomial theorem for the Pascal stuff? Is that how that works? Is it Pascal triangles? I think it is. Okay. Anyways, yeah, that's what you do. You do all of that. Now, here's the cool thing: is a bunch of stuff's gonna get canceled out. All right. So on this one, for instance, we're gonna cancel out. What is it? This and this. So this will cancel out with this. On this one, the x squared plus 2 is going to cancel out with this one. on this one, only one of the x plus 7s is going to cancel. So this is going to go to the 2. This is going to cancel out 2 of them. So this is going to go to the 1. And then this is going to cancel out all 3 of them.
I have it.
Nice. Okay.
I have the
All right.
formula for you.
So let's see what we got. So first up to bat is this mess. Okay. So that's
Yeah,
going to
you'll
be
do
A.
some things, but I'll give you some parts.
Okay. Well,
How about this?
bro,
Let's
I don't
do
even want to foil this, dude. Like,
Before
no,
I
dude.
foil this is actually easy to foil.
Yeah. What is
Let's
this?
write it out as we have it. So just copy the machine with the A in front of everything.
Yeah.
Step
What's the x? What's the x plus 7 cubed?
I'm not going to tell you I'm going to give you the binomial theorem version. Then you can just put things in.
Okay. You
A
wanna
cubed,
just.
A squared, A plus B to the cubed power.
Uh-huh.
So that's the
Yeah.
is the same as A cubed plus 3A squared B plus
Yeah.
3AB squared
Oh, okay, I get it. And then it's plus b to the
plus
third.
B cubed.
Okay, so this is the Pascal thing. I think this is because this is 1
Yes,
3
it is.
3
It
1.
is.
Yeah, and you
I
take
got-
like the top power of this, and it goes down, and then you take the power of b and go up.
I noticed it was.
Yeah, it's a cool trick actually. It's cool to know. But then I also gotta foil that with this, and honestly, I just don't want to. So I'm gonna use Wolfram.
No. How about this?
I'm not doing it.
You the ones you know.
I doth protest.
I can do some of them.
Yeah, no, but I'm
Yeah,
not writing all of them. I'm just gonna copy paste. That's also my thing. You could do them, Seth, but I don't want to
No, I'm
copy paste all of them.
But you have to write them in Wolfram Alpha anyway for the matrix.
That's true.
That's what
But-
that's where you're gonna do the matrix.
Yeah. Well, let's see.
Since I said
Okay.
this, if I have it, that's where I would do it.
Okay, here we go. So it's this.
What is?
Let me pull it in one
Alright.
sec.
Yeah.
So
Oh,
that's this.
Yep. We can check. Yep. That's fifth. Yep.
Right. Okay. And then
me
it's.
checking now.
Let me put different colors. Plus b, and then this is x is 7 to the third times x minus 1.
I don't even think any of these are nice.
None of
For
these
me
are nice,
too.
dude. Yeah, these all suck, dude. These are just violent, dude. Someone woke up and chose violence this morning.
When you write it, when you solving it, what you're doing now, make sure it's multiplied by x because it needs bx. So it should be a fifth power.
You're right, actually.
You have to do it again.
You're right. He's right. He's right.
Or you have to write it out. Again.
I don't want to do that. I don't want to write it.
There you go. 'Cause it's a bx, not a b.
Okay. Cool.
It should be a fifth power. Oh,
Yep.
look at that. Oh,
Look at
that's
that,
nice.
it is. Yeah. Yeah, Seth brings up a good
And then
point.
C.
Because this is bx to this, right? You got to do this and this, and then raise all the powers by x.
Parentheses. Parentheses, correct.
Yes, correct. Parentheses.
And then plus c times the mess. Which c you already had. You should already have. Oh, well, you should have kept that.
I should have kept that. I should have. Because that one didn't have one.
We needed that.
Okay. Well, that's fine. I got it. It's easy.
Now, I'm gonna give you another nightmare. You have to write this out again because you have to write them out with in order.
Yeah. Well, I'm just going to give it to ChatGPT at that point.
or we can do this easy because this is actually not bad for addition. I can show you a way to not have to write all of it.
Yeah,
can
I can
write
start
them
just group.
out
I can just start grouping all the terms. Yeah, I get it.
We can
But-
group and add, and then just put the term pieces.
Yeah.
X to the fifth times a plus b plus c, but we can
God,
have the amount.
God, there's so much stuff here, dude. What?
Yeah, obviously it's an F. Only
It's a big. This is a big F in the chat, dude.
Disqualified.
Are you happy? I'm happy of one thing.
What's up? What are you happy
We don't have
about?
to integrate this mess.
We don't. Yeah, we don't.
I'm happy about that.
Let me see. X squared plus 2, x minus 1, x plus 7.
Fourth power, and then it should be why fourth power? Fourth power for C. Yeah, okay. Confirming that.
Sec. X minus 1.
And then fifth
X
power.
squared plus
Should be
2.
Fifth power.
This is 6th power, right?
2, 2, and 1 is 5th power.
2, 1.
Second power comes the second power comes the first.
Yeah, you're
power,
right.
fifth
Wait,
power.
1 second. Something's wrong. Sorry, wait 1 second.
So if you've done something wrong, it would give you 6th power.
Ah, I did do something wrong. 1 second. No, just on this one. It's on this. Okay.
That's a 5th power.
This one's to the second. X minus 1. X plus 7 squared. X squared plus 2. That's this. Let me make sure I did this C one right though. Let me see. It was X minus 1.
C you're fine on. At least in powers, power-wise.
I know in powers I'm fine, but I might have fucked it up.
Number-wise, you're okay.
You think I might? Let's see.
You are, because I know the N number's 343. That I know from 7s. I touched the judge's tests to know if 7s are accurate.
Oh, yeah.
It's either 243 or 343, and 243 has a 3 in it.
Got you. Yeah, that's okay. Okay.
That's-
All right, now one last one. No, 2 last ones. Oh,
No,
God.
2. So you match it.
God,
He
there's
is
so
a-
many. They're
He's a
everywhere.
4th power.
They're
He's a
everywhere.
4th power.
Okay. X minus 1. X squared plus 2. X plus 7 to the first. That's going to be to the 4th power, I guess, right? Yeah?
With a 14, with a negative 14 at the end of it.
Good. Yeah, I agree with that.
That's for confirming you have the right list. And then the F terms
God, this is violent.
is a 3rd power, which is the least power of the group, but it's also annoying.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is just 2 binomials, which is nice.
No, it's annoying because it's being added to 5th powers and 6th powers.
Right, yeah,
Third and
there's
fourth
there's
powers.
no there's
And
no comment.
There
there.
are a lot of zeros.
What's up, psychic dude 12? What's up, dog? What's up, dog?
What number am I thinking of?
What? Yes. 243. 343. Guilty Spark.
No.
Now
No?
What,
Was the
you
psychic?
think
do
of-
here-
that'll do.
is we can write this part out now, but you can sneakily do it by typing it out rather than writing it out, if you wanted to.
Yeah. So okay. So
This is not bad.
just for. What's up, Omega Kent? What's up, God? What's up, Aduki? Yeah, can you do mine next? I'm doing them in order, so we'll see what the order is. Okay, so
Who's talking
this
here?
there's just a Darsh. So this is
He's after
this is
the-
this
he's
being
after the bad one.
multiplied all through.
And Adarsh, I can get you at the end if I need to. You're not bad.
Okay. Now what happens here, okay, is we need to group everything by terms, right? So
Well, we can add and group at the same time.
right. So
What
do
is
we?
this mess up of thing I'm looking at?
It's very messy. This is like a nightmare
Basically,
partial
3s
fractions.
to the 5th, but with
What's
3s
up,
to the
dissidents?
5th, and it's A, B, and D.
I
think.
cannot even make out what you're trying to do right now.
Well, yeah.
Fraction decomposition.
It's called partial fractions.
Yeah.
But what we're
Uh,
doing. Wait, nothing goes to x to the 6th, Seth, does it?
Correct. I said that's the 5th when I stated.
Oh, nice. Okay.
3x to the 5th with A, B, and D, I think.
Okay, so here we go. Wait, so we have x to the 5th, right? And that's
There's
just
3
going to
of
be there's just going to be a plus b, right? Where's my hydrate at? Did you tell me to hydrate? Oh my god, I'm sorry, dude. Yeah, I will hydrate. The thing didn't go off. Why is that? Why, one sec. Did Sammy fuck up? Maybe Sammy's fucking up. Sammy is messing up. Give me a second. I don't know why the Twitch connection went down.
It's gonna be 5 by 5. Yep, which is
Give me a
which a
second.
5 by 5 matrix is perfect. Is Wolfram Alpha can handle that without a problem.
One sec, Sam. Yeah, Sammy does this thing where, like, for whatever reason, the tokens from Twitch reset every 60 days, which is dumb. I know it's a security thing, but, like, nobody wants that. Okay, one sec. There we go.
So A, B, and D, I believe. Have
Yes.
the 5.
One sec. Where's my Sammy core?
Oh, and also Alex is here or
Yo, what's up, Alex, dude?
he doesn't have any questions in yet.
Oh, not yet.
He's here.
What's up, Alex?
And he has his hand raised. We can do probably 1
Too many cooks. I've read that as too many cocks, dude. You can make him a speaker though. It's fine.
What's up?
What's up, dog? How's it going, bro?
I've been good.
Good, dude. We're doing a very, very long algebra question. Holy hell, this is an atrocious problem. Yeah. This is called partial fractions, is what it is. It's called partial fractions. Okay. And then this is plus D. And then this is... I think this will be a 6 by 6, actually.
It's 5.
And then-
It's 5 by 5. No, it's 5 by 5, but there's a
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, it's 6. It's a 6 by 7, technically. No, sorry. 7 by 6. Okay, anyways.
And we
yeah.
have
That's that. Right. And then we have...
Nicer. This is being nicer.
This is actually not too bad. We're getting better. Okay. So then this is x to the
give me the numbers.
4th. There we go. Thank you, dude.
Yeah, so these are numbers now. So
Yeah.
21.
Yeah, Decadence, this is not something that would ever come up on a test. This is just pain. This is your teacher
Maybe
had someone hurt them as a child.
1 X to the 4th, 1 C, and I believe there's 1 in D as well. Yep.
Yeah, there's a
13D.
13D.
And there's no an F because F has a qubit. F is just a qubit, I think.
And then there's plus an E, and then
Oh, there is
you're right,
an E, yep.
F is just a cubic. Okay.
And then E has a 4th, a 1, a same
Yeah,
word.
just plus E. Yeah. So what we're doing here, guys, and again, this wouldn't be normally as nightmarish because you wouldn't have so many partial fractions to deal with, is we're going through each polynomial here, and we're doing it term by term. So we're doing like everything that has x to the 5th. We're like, oh, cool, there's an A, there's a B. Then we're looking at x to the 4th. You can't see the board? Should be able to see the board. For x to the 4th, right, there's a 21a x to the 4th. That's right, we write 21a here. This is 20b. And then there's 1c, blah, 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 blah. Okay.
What I can say is, if one thing that would make this harder, and annoyingly harder, is if that top fraction...
Was something not... Yeah, cool. Yeah.
No, not what I mean. Was not factored.
Yeah, this top fraction is just 5x, which is beautiful. Because
I mean, like,
it only means...
the
what this means is that everything else here is just going to be equal to 0, which is really actually quite
The
nice.
denominator was not factored.
Yeah. Okay, so then let's look for x to the 3rd. So I have 149 from the A, right?
A 126, a 20.
149 from the A plus what would you say?
120.
120. Okay, this is not C. Sorry, this is x cubed.
Yep.
126 from the B plus 20
120.
from the C.
No. Can't agree
Yeah.
that. Oh, yeah, 20. Sorry,
20x
I read the wrong
cubed.
number. I read
You're
the
good.
wrong number.
Plus 37D plus 6E.
And there is an F on this one.
There is an F on this one, and then it's plus 1F.
I did now they got worse. Now they got
Okay,
worse.
cool. Well, we're almost done.
You can actually do one thing to your numbers. Your F has a 1 there. It doesn't need it.
Yeah, whatever. Yeah.
One F is just F. There.
Okay, now we do plus x squared. What do we got for x squared terms? So we got 385 and 196. So 385a plus 196b
126
126c
minus 23.
minus 23d
Minus 5.
minus 5e minus 1 minus f. Okay, cool. It's getting better. I swear it's getting better, guys.
And an F. Okay. That's in a singles.
Okay,
That's
then
in
we
a
have x to the 1st.
No, oh, yeah, that's just adds. It's not. Well,
Well, I like writing x to the 1st, so people can see that we're just going down in powers. So that's 294 and negative 343. So that's
I need to remember some numbers for you. So you
294a minus
be careful your nines again. Be
343b.
careful your nines again.
Oh, what about my 9s?
That read your nines.
What's wrong with my 9s?
You did 294. You did it. It may look like
Yeah, it's
It's more than that.
294.
That's almost a 4.
No. Okay, I will never write my 4s like this. Whoever does this, like, you need help. I write my 4s like this. This is the standard way to write 4s.
Like it almost does it.
It's like I always do this with my 7s. This is always 7. I always put a line through my 7. And I will also always put a line through my Z, because that also kind of looks like 2 sometimes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyways, okay, 344B plus 196C
Plus 70, plus 12, and a plus 2.
plus 70D plus
12 and a
12E plus 2F. Nice.
the same.
Last one. Oh my god, we're so fucking close. And then I gotta put this all in a calculator.
Yes, matrix.
Disqualified!
Actually, you make a matrix first,
Oh god.
and then put
Okay.
in a Wolfram Alpha if it allows it.
Well, I'll do it actually on my TID4. It should solve it. Okay, plus x to the 0. X to the 0 means that there's just constants. So that's 686A.
0.
That's nice that it's 0 on the other one. Okay, one second.
Negative 343.
We are gonna RDF.
I missed.
Hell yeah, we're gonna RDF. 686A. I'm gonna
I
say
missed-
plus 0B. And what else did you miss?
340. No, 343. I remember the number. Nope.
Minus
that's not it.
minus 343C.
E. D. I saw 98. I saw that,
Minus 98D.
and then 14 and a 2.
Minus 14E. Minus 2.
Minus 2 what at the end there?
F. Okay, there we go.
Now is that horrendous? Yes.
Okay, so now we have grouped all our terms. And
That makes
the cool thing is that all of this is equal to, it's like 0x to the 5th plus 0x to the 4th plus 0x to the 3rd plus 0x squared plus 5x,
Yep.
right, to the
Use
1st.
that top part.
Plus
to worry about.
0x to the 0. Now this is the cool thing. All of these terms, like everything in all the coefficients in front of this x to the 5th have to equal the same coefficient in front of the x to the 5th over here, which is 0. So that tells me this is equal to 0, this is equal to 0, this is equal to
Let's do
0.
One more step. We'll
Well,
write it out in.
We are going to write it out as
write
matrix
a
eventually.
System.
We're going to write,
You
yeah,
can
I don't
copy
want
and
to,
paste.
I
You
could
can
copy and paste it. All right, whatever, you're right. We could do that.
Because I don't want to write this again. But
Okay.
I would not want to write this again.
I'm not writing all this again, dude.
I know that. That's what I'm saying.
That would be so
And that's
painful.
just copy and paste, and we can set it equal to its
Yeah.
stuff.
Yeah. Okay, so we're taking every little thing here, and we're going to write out basically a massive systems of equations. This is like the biggest systems of equations ever attempted on a Twitch live stream.
Well, I can make it. I can give you back. I remember we can make that a lot worse. So you
It
know
better
that.
have rank 5. I agree, dude. Dude, if this thing doesn't solve, I'm going to murder somebody.
If it doesn't solve, we have to. We can do it. We can attempt Wolfram Alpha if it handles this.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure the
What is the
TID4 is going to be
matrix
able to
size?
handle it.
What's the matrix size?
It's going to be a 7x6.
Okay, let me check. I can check and see if Wolfram Alpha holds it. Does it might?
I mean, the full Wolfram Alpha would, but yeah, you're right if the web client does it.
So I'm checking. I want to see
Okay,
what the
cool.
matrix size is.
So we remember, right? This was equal to 0. 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 This is equal to 5. And this is equal to 0. Yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah. And we've already used a little bit of Wolfram Alpha here. I used Wolfram Alpha for this. Like, I was not gonna symbolically manipulate this and then group all the terms. Like, I was just gonna take forever. So we are helping ourselves a bit. Okay. This is now going to be a matrix because this is a 6x6.
Oh,
So
annoying. Here's an annoying thing. Ready?
What's the annoying thing?
5x5.
No, there are 6 unknown variables, right? A, B, C,
No, I'm
D,
saying
E.
that's what the. That's
F.
what I just told you what you asked. What I told you I was going to tell you.
Oh, Wolfram restricts it to 5x5s.
5x5 is the best they have.
Okay, well, it's all right. I think we can do it with the TI-84. We got a
With
powerful
Wolfram.
calculator.
That's
We have the gold edition TI-84. The gold one is able to do more things. Anyways, this is going to look like a matrix where this is A, B, C, D, E, F, and then equals 2. So which sometimes they'll do this. They'll put like a big dashed line here.
Ian, you remember what that's called? Because there's a name for that too.
It's called augmented. Augmented. So
I mean, the name for the line.
1, 2, 3,
That was the map,
4,
but
5. I don't know what's the name.
I don't know. I'm just saying I thought there was a name for it.
Okay. So here we go. So this is
There's a name for that.
1 1 0 1 0 0 21 20 1 13 1 0. It will have nice cofactors. Yeah, I think it will. 149 126 20 37 6 1 385 196 126
Yes.
negative 23
Yes,
minus 5 minus 1.
That is a
Yeah.
21, yes.
That is a 21. Yeah, don't worry about my handwriting. 294 minus 343 plus 196 plus 70 plus 12 plus 2 686 plus, oh, this is 0 minus 343 minus 98 minus 14 minus 2. Okay. And then this is the thing we need to solve.
Within.
This is getting really, really difficult. What's up, 1, 2, 3, meh? Okay. So, I need my calculator. We're going to test the limits of the TI-84 today.
Oh, Jeff. Okay.
I predict one of the coefficients will have an 8-digit denominator because I cheated. Really? 8 digits? That's terrible.
Well, it is because you have to write it out in the correct form at the end.
Okay. Yeah, now REF this. Okay, so one sec. Let me get my
Now,
calculator.
one thing I'm kind of hoping for is the digits in a row for like A will not have that bottom will not decide to have will not have any factors in common either. Hope that 5 won't decide to divide
All right,
everything by 5.
let's see. So I got to make a new matrix here. So I'm going to go to edit here. And then this is going to be a 7 by 6. Or no, a 6 by 7, sorry. It's rows by column. Calc is making nuts right now. Yeah, this is definitely makes some nuts. Sorry. No, it's 7 columns. It's a 6 by 7, sorry. 6 by 7. Okay, there we go. All right, now we're going to start putting numbers in. So, 1 1 0 1 0 0
Now,
0
one thing.
21
Don't mess
20
up.
1. I messed up already?
No, I said don't mess up.
Oh yeah, we're gonna try to do
Or
that.
if you have to check every single number.
Yeah, we're gonna hope not.
Don't make a fucky wucky.
Don't make a fucky wucky here, dude. Yeah, 6 1 0 385 196 126 negative 23 negative 5 minus 1 0 294 minus 343 196 oh, I think that's 70 12
and 2.
2 and then a 5. Okay, and then
Yep.
686 0 negative 343. I wish I had a numpad right now, dude. Minus 14 minus 2 0. Okay, wow.
You're good. I didn't see any mistakes in
I
that.
know, dude. I know. I need that, dude. My keyboard
That's
is
that. Now
10
let's see,
keyless.
let's see if it solves itself.
Is today just algebra, or is there going to be some calculus? There can be calculus. It can be whatever you want, dude.
Geometry.
Yeah, we're doing
Know
geometry
that.
as well.
And tread. I see
Yeah.
tread, I see geometry, and then
Yeah.
otherwise
There's a lot going on. So yeah, 1 2
Yeah,
Matt.
also starting this question.
Yeah, we're also going to do TrackMan questions later. But yeah, if you ever want to submit a question, just submit it right there, and we'll go through it. Okay. All right. So then what I'm going to do?
Please solve.
I'm gonna please solve. Reminds me of the whole meme of Jeb Bush, dude. It was like, please clap, dude. Please clap. All right. Second matrix math, and we're gonna go to RREF, and then we're gonna tell it to do this. God help ourselves, dude. All right. Let's hit it. Let's see what happens. Oh god. Oh lord, we got some
With
numbers.
decimals. That's the decimals, though. Well, and those
I
are
see.
answers, and the decimals are the answers, I guess.
Oh god, dude. Can I even like scroll over on this?
No,
I can't.
because you don't need to. Yes, right? No, you do. Uh-oh.
Dude, it's
didn't
too
solve
big.
well.
It's too. Oh, wait, you know what the cool thing
It
is here?
didn't.
I can store this to another matrix. So I can say store this as matrix B.
And then read it off of that one, I guess.
Correct. So now I can go to matrix B. We can go read it. All right.
We need the answer column.
It did work. Okay. It's a bunch of
Okay, that's-
ugly fucking decimals. What do you mean 8? You said it was 8 digits?
You
Maybe
know
8
why
digits
it's
as a
8 digits?
fraction.
Because it's not decimals. Because he didn't have decimals. Yes.
Okay. So there you
He used
go.
the fraction version.
Oh, 8 digits as a fraction. Yeah, okay, fine. All right, so
Probably.
these are all the numbers right here. These are them.
Can you copy them? I guess.
I am. Yeah. If I rationalize them, it would be 8 digits. Yeah, I don't think it's happening today. Not happening
And
today.
then
Okay, there.
write them out in.
Right. Okay. So then this thing is A.
the-
This thing is B. This thing is C. This thing is D. This thing is E. And this thing is F. It's a big mess. I don't know how to convert it to a fraction. It probably wouldn't do it. I don't think this TID4 would do it, honestly. They look like Minecraft numbers. Yeah, right? Is this something from like Lost? Okay, anyways. So yeah,
Now I just need to plug it in and hope it doesn't divide.
I think the LCD of all those integers has 8 digits. Yeah. Okay. So this is equal to, we're gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it for completeness. So 0.00326 over x minus 1 plus
Oh yes,
I'm gonna do-
Jeff.
0.0039 minus 0.0074x.
Nope. Nope.
Yeah,
no.
no.
Oh, yep. Why did
I
you do
switched.
Why did you pick the order?
I don't like negatives in the front. I just don't. I'm just,
Oh, I
per-
see. 'Cause
It's just personal
I was
preference.
reading in the order is written.
Yeah, you're good. You're good. Plus
Then it's the order. You're right.
0.00417 all over x plus
close.
7 plus 0.02202 over x plus 7
Over
squared
X.
plus 0.08578 all over x plus 7 to the third,
Dr. Gore.
and then we're done. Nice. We did it. Congratulations, guys.
Dr. Gore.
What's up, Alex?
How long are you doing that?
I'll stream for at least another hour, probably hour and a
That's
half.
50 minutes of that equation. That's 50 minutes on that. It's like that's probably 45, 50 on that.
It's cool. I enjoyed this. I thought it was fun. What's up, Alex? You gotta go. You gotta go talk to your girlfriend. What's up?
No, I'm gonna show one of my questions that I had.
Oh, nice.
cool. Remember?
Yeah, show it to
What
us.
today is too?
Yeah, show it to us.
Today is too.
What is today? Oh, joke of the day? Are you gonna tell me the joke of the day today?
Well, it's his birthday, I thought.
Oh, it's your fucking
yeah.
birthday. It's your birthday. Oh, dude, happy birthday, Alex.
Oh, we're so sorry to hear about your brother.
Yeah,
that
just give you
passed
some
away.
booms, dude. Yeah, dude, like give him the booms. Boom, boom,
Five big booms.
boom, boom, boom. You get 5 big booms, dude.
That's dope.
Let me show you.
What's up? It's your birthday, dude. Whoa, you came on the stream on your birthday, man. That's so cool.
What's it called? Like a 10.
What's happening
Well,
at
my
10?
dad- I'm gonna go eat dinner with my family.
Okay, that's dope, dude. That's in an hour, I think, for you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. If you want, because it's your
So-
birthday, we'll do your question first. If you want, you want to just submit your question, we'll do it because it's your birthday.
It's not
I'm a-
posted yet, so.
I'm gonna tell you the joke of the day.
Okay, tell us the joke of the day. What's the joke of the day? Give us that joke of the
I'm
day.
getting
dude. He's getting it. He's getting it up. Thank you, man. You're the best.
go?
Oh, wait, why did this go down? Sorry. What the hell? Okay, there we go. Sorry. What's up, Ethan?
You finally finished with that question?
I have finished that with question. Yes, thank you, dude. Yes, yeah.
Cool.
Where's the chat here? He said this. Yeah. Thank you, man. You're the best for real. That was a very atrocious problem. Is that seriously a problem they gave you, dude? I would be like, no, dude. Is that seriously? Is that a serious question that someone would give?
I thought they were also, I wanted to tell you something.
Yeah, what do you want to tell me, dude?
Ever since like the beginning of this year, I've set my dreams high. You want to know why this year is actually a very good year?
Why is this year a really good year?
Like mathematically speaking, it's actually like a special year. I don't know why.
2025. I don't know. 25 is like 5 squared.
45 squared.
Yeah. What is it?
No, that's not it. That's not it. You're kind of you are on track with the squared, but that's not really like it.
What is it?
If you take the square root of 2025, then that will give you 45 exact.
Yep.
Oh, really? I didn't know that. 45 squared is 2025. Oh, that's cool.
This is what they call a square year.
The next one is 22 squared.
2026.
For
If you
some
do that in a
reason-
calculator, you'll see where they are.
What's up, Alex?
Actually, wait, that's not the only.
For some reason,
Yeah.
my the sub always puts the wrong day.
Dude, well, I don't think we have much hope for your math teacher already. What does it say though?
11:19.
Oh dear. Yeah, you know what's happening? Your teacher is just reusing slides from other class periods or previous stuff they did. Oh, 46 squared. Oh, that's cool, Seth. Wow, that's pretty top. That's pretty high.
That's
All
the
right,
next square year.
That's the next
All right.
square year.
One sec. He's got it. Alex has. Okay, here we go. Happy Tuesday.
Oh.
Nice. I forget what movie that's from, but yes. Today, never trust your fears. They don't know your strengths. Ooh, I like that one. That's a good one, Alex.
That's true.
Hell yeah. Yesterday, I asked my dog, what is 2 minus 2?
What?
Okay.
It doesn't show.
There's no answer for the joke?
I asked my dog. Oh wait,
God damn it. There's
can
no...
you speak back to me?
Get it? You don't get it?
Alright, he's gonna go find it. Kevin
Hey, you
Saw
don't
says
get it?
this song was Oh, wait.
Dr.
Yesterday... I don't get the joke. Tell me the joke, sorry. What is it again?
So he asked his dog what 2 minus 2 is, and
Yeah.
the dog said nothing.
Oh, it's a meta joke. I get it.
That was a
dude.
meta joke.
Damn
It's a meta joke.
it. Meta joke means like it's a joke within a joke. Like the whole thing is a joke. Like the whole...
I'm gonna just pull up
Okay.
the oldest joke, the first joke I got of the year.
What's up, Mohammed?
Oldest
Yeah, pull it up.
joke in the book.
The oldest joke in the book, dude. Kevin, what's this song? Oh, it's a catchy math song. I like the song that Sensation made. That's the catchiest math song. But Ethan, what's up? What were you saying, dog?
So like that's not the only calculation. Okay, hear this out, and you're gonna have to listen carefully to this. But if you take the cubed number, what's wrong? I didn't even finish what I was saying.
Keep going.
You take the cubed, like if you cube every number from 1 through 9, you will actually get 2025. Try it right now.
If you cube every number 1 through
1
through
cubed plus
9.
2 cubed plus 3 cubed plus 4 cubed plus 5 cubed plus 6 cubed plus 7 cubed plus 8 cubed plus 9 cubed.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh,
Exactly.
Oh, the sum of x
That's
cubed
2025.
from n equals 1 to 9. This is equal to 2025.
Mhm.
That's cool.
I was out. Wait, what? Wait, what? The what? Where did you just pop that out from?
This is called summation notation. Is what it's called.
I do not know anything about some notation. I only know scientific notation. I do not know any
You'll
summation.
get the
Nothing.
summation eventually, dude. What's up, dog? You got your question, Alex?
But-
Yeah, I
Alright, let's
got
do
an
it.
old one.
All right, let's see. 1 sec. Let's see what he's got. 1 sec. 2 things define you: your patience when you have nothing, and your attitude when you have everything. I like that. That's a good one. That was the first day you had class. And then let's see. Why did the skeleton not go to the party? Because he had no body to go with. Oh, that's a funny one, dude. I like that. That's funny. That's hilarious.
I'm
Nice.
gonna find
Every
the
guy.
question.
Yeah. Okay, go find a question. Send me a question. And then in the meantime, one sec. I'm gonna do. Who is it? Was this Meh that submitted this question?
I put into the Discord list so we have them all.
Okay, thanks. Wait, whose is that? Whose is that with the summation series one? Who's that?
Nobody's. No, that's the Tevins that I moved over to the Discord.
Oh,
I moved
okay.
over to the.
Okay.
I moved.
Okay.
So it's all together. So we can have that on the list.
Oh, we had a couple questions here, and there's another one from Nth. I need to. I'll just give you access to this channel, Shantrix. One sec. Let me just. Not Shantrix. Sorry, Seth. Let me add a member.
Yeah, there's another list worth.
Not another. Well, here, just there you go. You have access to web screenshots. Just.
Oh, I see.
Just be careful about what gets posted there.
There's no screenshots on these.
1, 2, 3, Matt. Mine is an integral.
Old, I guess. Oh, here we go.
Okay, is this yours? 1, 2, 3, Matt. Yes, Shantrix. We'll get to yours. Yeah, you know how it works. I have to give preference to people who have just showed up because otherwise they're gonna wait forever and then just get bored. So here, let me do this real quick. This will be fast. And then Alex has a question. It's his birthday, so we're gonna do his so he can go eat birthday cake with his parents. Okay.
And there's this.
Ooh, okay. This is kind of weird.
Old.
Yeah, what's up, Alex?
You know I'm allergic to chocolate.
Do I know about chocolate? I like chocolate. Yeah, what's up with chocolate?
I'm allergic to it.
You're allergic to chocolate? Oh, damn, dude. I'm sorry, dude. So, wait, what's your cake gonna be if it's not chocolate?
I don't know.
He says, I don't know.
They sometimes just give me like ice cream, like just vanilla ice cream.
I mean, you're obviously probably not allergic to sugar, right? It's just the cocoa. You can't have the cacao.
Yeah, the cocoa.
Okay.
The cocoa.
Nice. Okay, yeah, this is a trig substitution question. Yeah, you're right. Someone said the right thing. Dissonance. Yeah, you're right. Anytime you see square root of something squared and something else, I actually really like this table. It says like, what do you see? And then they're like, use this substitution. So in this case, yeah. So if we have x squared minus a squared, which in this case is y squared minus something. Here a is equal to 5. All right. I'm going to use this substitution, which is that we're going to say y is equal to 5 secant of x, or secant of theta. Sorry, we're going to do this. Y equals 5 secant of theta. Okay. So that means dy is equal to 5 secant squared of theta d theta. Okay. So let's try to like sub stuff in, see what happens. So that's the integral of 25. Oh wait, secant tan. Sorry, no. Derivative of secant is secant tan. Sorry, I fucked that up. Yeah. Thank you, Femvox. Yeah. I was getting excited because the derivative of tangent is secant squared, and I was thinking about yeah. Okay, there we go. There's that one. Someone says Weierstrass. Wait, there's Weierstrass sub. I don't want to do that. Excuse me. No. Okay. Secant squared theta minus 25. Okay, and this is all square rooted. And then it's over 5 cubed secant cubed of theta. And then I think dy is... Oh, okay. So then dy is this messy thing, right? Yeah. So then we have 5 secant theta tangent of theta d theta. Secant cube below? Yeah, I did do that. Did I not do that? Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. Yeah. We're going to get to it. So watch what happens. So I can pull out a square root of 25, which pulling out the square root of 25 is the same thing as pulling out a 5. So this is 5 on the top. I'm going to pull out the 5 cubed on the bottom. Okay. And then we have the integral. So this is... So the square root of secant squared minus 1 is the same thing as the square root of tangent squared. Because, what is it? 1 plus tangent squared equals secant squared. So then secant squared minus 1 is equal to tangent squared. So cool. And then the square root of tangent squared is just tangent. Let me know, 1, 2, 3, meh, if I'm like skipping too many steps. Okay, and then this is over secant to the third of theta. And then we have secant theta, tangent of theta, d theta. Okay, cool, good so far. Secant cancels one of these. And then we have tangent squared over secant squared, right? One of these is going to cancel as well. So I have 1 over 25 integral. Wait, did I screw something up? Did I? It'll sometimes happen. It says, wait. What's up, Soffel? Abstain. Where is the 5 from the... Oh, thank you. Yes, I did forget this one. Oh, that's mean. Yeah, I fucked up. What's up? Yeah, cool. Yeah, so this... There's another 5. Sorry. So, yeah, this is actually 5 squared. Thank you. So this is going to go away and just be 1 over 5. Absolute value of tan... maybe. I don't think constants... Yeah, constants don't matter. All constants are created equal. Not even plus c. It's true. Okay. So I get tangent squared of theta over secant squared of theta d theta, which tangent of theta is equal to sine over cosine. And then secant of theta is equal to 1 over cosine. So if I do this one divided by this one, so tan over secant is the same thing as just sine. Because this is the same thing as sine over cosine divided by 1 over cosine is times cosine over 1. So this goes away. So you just get sine, and then it's this squared. So we have 1/5 integral sine squared of theta d theta. Wow, damn. Thank you, dude. La. Your homework children, or else your shadow people will watch you while you sleep. Thank you so much for that, Famish. That's such a nice... Yeah, love the bits, dude. Thank you, bro. Okay, I need to remember what the integral of sine squared is. I forget it. It's like 1/2 something. Yeah, this is it. Okay. Whatever. Okay. So then this is going to be... I always like to just pull the 1/2 out of both things. So this is 1/10. And then it's just going to be theta minus 1/2 sine of 2 theta. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Oh, you like the power reduction one, actually. Oh, okay. Does this one work as well? Okay, 1, 2, 3 mess says, how did I get sine squared? Okay. Oh, that's how you do it. Oh, okay, yeah, sorry. Yeah, the final answer becomes this. Yeah, okay, so here's what happened. Yeah, okay, great. Yeah, Zach's right. That's the way to do it. So, here, do we understand up to here, 1, 2, 3 meh? Do we understand how this is tangent squared over secant squared? Because the secants canceled out the secant squared, and then I had 2 tangents left. The next thing I said is that tangent of theta is the same thing as sine over cosine. Secant of theta is 1 over cosine. So tangent divided by secant, which is what I have. I have tangent over secant, but then I'm squaring it. But tangent over secant is sine over cosine divided by 1 over cosine, which is the same thing as multiplying by cosine over 1. So the cosines will cancel out, and that'll give me just sine. But then I need this whole thing squared. Yeah, all good. So that's sine squared of theta. That gets me this through, yes, Zach says, yeah, power reduction is the real way to do this. Okay, but we're not done yet because we have to do with this. So we said that y... Yeah, exactly. Yeah. And honestly, just descend d'enfants, I assume you have a French name there. I always say, when doing those trig identity proof things, just convert everything to sine and cosine, and you can figure it out. All of these identities come from just sine and cosine. They really just come from this, right? Sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1. If you know this, you can pretty much rederive everything else, if you really want to. Everything else is just shortcuts. But anyways, okay, so y equals 5 secant of theta. So the secant of theta is equal to y over 5. Or, right, secant of theta is the same thing as 1 over cosine. So I say 1 over cosine of theta is equal to y over 5. or cosine of theta is equal to 5 over y. Euler is still Pythagoras. Yeah. Okay. Right? Okay, so there we go. So once I have this, I like to always build my triangle. I like to build the triangle. So I'm going to have a triangle where the adjacent over the hypotenuse is now 5 over y. Okay? So the hypotenuse is going to be y. The adjacent is going to be 5. And then I want this side, the opposite. And then this is where you can use Pythagoras. Because you can say 5 squared plus, let's say like b squared is equal to y squared. So b is equal to the square root of y squared minus 25. And I'll show you why we do this. So this is equal to the square root of y squared minus 25. Okay, nice. All right. Because with this now tells me that theta is equal to the arc cosine of 5 over y. So I'm going to replace that in here. So I'm going to say this is 1/10 arc cosine of 5 over y minus 1/2. Oh, this is ugly. Because it's sine of 2 theta? Okay, now I need a sine of 2 theta thing. Sine 2x identity. Okay. Okay. Sine of 2x is 2 sine x cosine x. Okay, remember that. Okay, here we go. This is the other little bit of information. So sine of... So here we go. So... How do we get 1 over 10? Okay. The 1 over 10... So we had 1 over 5 here. And then when I do this integral, it's the same thing as this, which is really technically this 1/2 minus 1/4. But what I like to do is I like to pull another 1/2 out. And so instead of writing it this way, I like to write 1/2 x minus sine of 2x over 2. So the 1/2 for here combines with the 1/5 over here, and that gets me 1/10. Good so far here. And then this was from our substitution from before. Sub. Okay. And so what I wrote was that, okay, from this, I know that theta is the arc cosine of 5 over y. That's why I can replace that. And then now I have 1/2 sine of 2 theta. The issue is I don't know what 2 theta is. So, but what I do know is that sine of 2x is 2 sine x cosine x. So, this is going to be the same thing as 2 sine of theta cosine of theta. Okay. Which these are going to cancel. All right. And then sine of theta, now we look at our triangle. That's opposite over hypotenuse. So that's square root of y squared minus 25 all over y. Cosine of theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. That's going to be equal to 5 over y. And this should give you a final answer of 1 over 10 arc cosine of 5 over y minus 5 square root of y squared minus 25 all over y squared. I think that's it. Wow. Yeah. Because the shadow people are after your muffins, dude. Excuse me.
You mentioned shadow people. I was like, yeah, go on.
The shadow people. Okay, we could have put this into. Let's see what Wolfram Alpha actually gets for this. I'm actually curious. So I'm going to say integrate square root of, what was this? Y squared minus 25 divided by y to the third. Oh, and yeah, plus c. Don't forget the plus c. Yeah, don't forget there's a plus c on this thing. But whatever. Okay, cool. They do arc tangent, which that's okay. It's the same thing. They just do a different ratio. Yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah, because tangent would be opposite over adjacent, which is the same thing. Yeah. So this is the same answer. Nice. Good. We did it. Lovely. All right, Alex, let's do your question. Pull it in. Ooh, investments. Does it make sense to you? Invested meth.
I did this question with my sub, but
Yeah.
like, he didn't really explain it well, so I just brought this equation to you guys.
That's a good one. Yeah, we'll do it, Alex, dude. All right, here we go. Morgan has an investment worth $130,000 after 20 years. If his original investment was for $50,000, what must the interest rate have been? Okay. Do you guys learn this, like the simple interest equation? It's like A is equal to P, and then it's 1 plus R to the T. Have you seen this equation before?
No.
Okay. This is called simple interest. Okay. So this A here, this is the amount you have. Well, sorry, compound interest. Yeah, sorry, but it's not compounding weirdly, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. This is the amount you have at time t. This is the amount you start with. This right here is the interest rate. Yeah, he is so close, right? Interest rate in decimal form. And then this right here is like the time t.
So,
Okay.
so wouldn't T be 20 years?
So yeah, let's do this. Okay, so yeah, let's write this out, right? So I agree. So we can say, all right, T is equal to 20 years. I agree with that. Cool. What is the 130,000? What number is that? What letter is that here?
The 100. A.
That is A. Good. Good. So A is equal to 130,000. All right.
P.
And then what is the 50,000?
P.
Good. So P is equal to 50,000. All right, so then let's write this out, right? And let's see what we got. So we have 130,000 is equal to 50,000.
1,000.
And then it's 1 plus R to the 20th.
20. How do you find the interest rate in decimal?
Yeah, we got to get the R. Yeah, so let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, so watch. So, this is called algebra. So, let's remember that this is the variable we're looking for, right?
Yeah.
Oh, simple interest is 1 plus RT. Is it? Yeah, they don't tell us what type of interest it is. Here. we're gonna do it this way first. and then we'll. This is how you would solve it if it was compound interest, which is how you usually do things. So
I think how my teacher wants us to solve it, because
Yeah.
she was showing it on the board like that.
mm-hmm.
When I was taking the note down, she just erased it really fast without. And I told the teacher.
Told her to
Like,
slow
she-
down. Be like, yo,
Yeah, told her
chill.
to- And she didn't listen to me. I think she didn't care at all.
Oh damn. Okay, this is compound interest. There's another thing called simple interest. We're gonna do both eventually, and we'll just see what happens. Okay. But anyways, to get to this R here, we're gonna first want to
Yeah.
divide both sides by 50,000. Okay.
Cancel out the 50.
Good. So this goes away. So now this is also gonna simplify to 13 over 5 because all these zeros are gonna cancel as well, right? So now you have 13 over 5 is equal to 1 plus R to the 20. All right. The way to get rid of this 20 is kind of similar to what you know with other things. Let's say this was 1 plus R squared. How would you get rid of the squared here?
-2.
Close. The way to do that is to square root it. That's how you get rid of squares. Okay.
Oh.
Yeah. Have you seen square roots before?
I've seen it before. I just don't understand it.
It's okay. That's why your question is probably simple interest, because if you haven't dealt with these complicated types of roots, then you probably don't know how to do this. But we'll show you how to do it, okay? And then we'll do it the other way. Okay. So in order to get rid of this 20, you would technically take what's called the 20th root of both sides, which is also the same thing as raising both sides to the 1/20 power. Okay?
1/20.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, because what happens is if when you have something something with an exponent to another exponent, the exponents multiply. And 20 times 1/20, what's that going to be equal to? 20 times 1/20. Let's write this 20 as 20/1.
So, 20/20?
Which is what?
1.
1. Exactly, right, yeah. So do you see how when we do this to this whole thing just becomes to the 1 power?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So now you have 13/5 to the 1/20 is equal to 1 plus r, all right? Last step is to subtract 1 from both sides, right? And now we have 13/5 to the 1/20 minus 1 is equal to r, which this you need a calculator for. Okay.
I don't have a calculator.
It's okay. I have one for you. So this is 13 divided by 5 to the 1/20 equals that. And then minus 1. That gets you 0.0489.
So, 0.09?
0.0489. Which, if you wanted to write this as a percent, do you remember how to write decimal things as percents?
No.
So all you got to do is you got to multiply by 100, or take this decimal place and move it to the right twice.
So 4.84%.
4.89% is the interest. Yeah.
8.9.
Yeah.
That looked like a 4.
Yeah, but that's not an answer choice. So, yes, Chad is right that 4.89% would be probably a pretty standard interest rate for something like this. But I think the way they're doing this question for you is they're doing what's called simple interest. What's up, Pranav? Love all the stars. So simple interest is A is equal to P, and then it's 1 plus RT. Just like this. Do you see how this is 1 plus R to the T? 1 plus R times T. Okay. And then it's going to be the same math. Just slightly different.
Why does it look like a B? That's the T.
Oh, this T?
Why did you put that? Yeah.
Yeah, the reason why I do that is because plus and T kind of look the same, right?
Oh yeah.
So I like to write my T's with like a little curl on the side here. Yeah. This is a trick you'll learn later when you get into higher level maths, because the plus sign and the T look really similar.
Yeah.
Okay. So watch what happens here. We'll just do it. 130,000. What's up, Sensation?
That is what a T is supposed to look like, you know.
Oh, is it?
A lowercase T is supposed to look like that.
Oh, okay. Well, so I'm right. Okay. So then this is 13/5 is equal to 1 plus 20R. So then we subtract 1, subtract 1. So that's going to be 8/5 is equal to 20R.
20.
Yeah. So when I subtract 1, it's like subtracting 5/5. Right? Do you know like 5/5 is equal to 1?
Yeah.
Okay. The reason why I do that is because then I can do 13/5 minus 5/5. Which is then 8/5. And then my last step is just divide by 20. So I take this whole thing, divide by 20. So if I do 8/5 divided by 20. Do you remember how to divide fractions? How do we do this? What is this equal to?
We divide
Some
20
trick for it.
by 5. Oh,
Close.
20. It's 1 over 20.
Good. It's 8 over 5 times 1 over 20. Remember? Keep, change,
Yeah.
flip.
Okay.
Yeah.
Flip.
Good. So then this is 8 over 100, which...
100.
Do you know what 8 over 100 is as a decimal?
0.08.
Good. 0.08. Nice. Which, again, kind of looks like one of the answers, but they also messed up here because this is a decimal. What would it be as a percent?
8%.
8%. Exactly. Right,
Oh.
move the decimal left. So the answer should be 8%. Oh, which is choice A. Actually, yeah, wait. One of these works. I think, yeah, this answer does work. Oh, it is 8%. Nice. Cool?
Wouldn't choice B work? Actually,
No.
no, it wouldn't work.
Because that's 0.08%.
I just saw the decimal.
Yeah, the decimal's
I
bad.
know. I just saw the percentage thing.
Yeah, oh, you saw this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you gotta watch out. So the answer, yeah, answer is choice A. Nice. Good job, dude.
I'm gonna stay for the stream for like 10 more minutes until my parents call me downstairs.
Okay. Well, nice. Yeah, congratulations, dude. Good job.
That's dope.
Happy birthday to you, man. That's awesome.
Thank you.
I hope you have an awesome
forget.
cake. And don't forget what? Goddamn. What was
Lávate las manos.
Lávate las manos después o no, después de comer la torta.
Yeah. Torta. What is that?
The isn't torta cake? Torta's cake.
No, that's like,
sandwich?
Tort. That's tort, as in tart.
No.
Fuck.
Torta is like
There's
you
also
know,
like
in
thick Latina women. It's also called tortas.
That's why you think it's cake.
That's what I thought it was cake. Like they got cakes, right? Is that what tortas? Tortas is sandwiches. I know. Yeah,
torta's like you know quesadilla, the thing
Yes.
outside of the quesadilla. That's the That's the
or like a tortilla.
tortilla. Yeah.
Yeah, tortilla. I understand. Wait, how do you say cake in Spanish, dude? Do I not know how to say cake?
Bizcocho. Bizcocho.
Oh.
Two different words, same one.
Say it again. Say bizcocho.
Bizcocho.
Yeah, you said it right.
Someone says pastel. Pastel is one as well.
That's like for bizcocho is
cake.
like. How do you
Oh,
say
I like this. I like this. I like this. Okay, here's the word. Here's the word. Yeah, bizcocho. I haven't seen this word before, actually. This must be dialect. This is a dialect for sure.
Yes.
Pastel is for like dessert, like a type of dessert.
Okay. El pastel is
the biscuit.
That's
yeah, it makes sense. Like biscotti biscuit. Yeah, bizcocho is like sponge cake. Interesting. Okay.
Yeah.
I like you know what I love? I love coco flan. Coco flan's my favorite, dude. You ever heard coco flan? Or you can't
my
have cocoa
dad
actually.
Well, I don't like it, but my dad does it.
Or your dad
My
like
dad
coco?
like.
Yeah, coco flan. That comes from
What's it called? You know how to say ice cream in Spanish?
Ice cream. That's a good one.
Glass.
What is it? Hielo de something? I don't know.
Helado.
Helado. That's it. Right. Yeah, helado. Wait, because isn't that also the word for ice? It's
No,
yellow, right?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Yellow, yeah.
Yeah, yellow is
It's like
that.
the
Yeah.
same thing. It's like yellow is like the same thing as it's like ice, huh?
Do you know what I think is always? Do you know what I think is the funniest one? Okay. What's the word for handcuffs?
I actually.
It's esposas. It's esposas.
I got the joke.
Esposas.
Okay. What's the word for wife?
Esposa.
Esposa.
I always crack
Wow.
myself up.
I
Yes.
just thought of something.
Yeah. Handcuff. Your wives are your handcuffs in the Spanish language, apparently.
Well, we call them the ball and chain.
Ball and chain. They literally do it in the language, though. Like, they literally have made the word handcuffs the same thing as wife. Oh, no, I won't get married. Yeah.
If you
Anyways.
never learned something
So do you want
in
to do
Spanish,
change now, because it's a long one?
Yeah, I'll do Shantrix's. Yeah, what's up, Alex? You're going to say if I want to learn what?
if you want to learn like little words in Spanish, just tell me and I'll just teach you it.
Cool, dude. Yeah, I appreciate it, dude. Yeah, I'll teach you math. You teach me Spanish. It's a win-win, dude. It's a
Great, great.
win-win. Okay.
I'm gonna just sit here and watch.
All right, cool. Chill around. Sit and watch. Sensation in Spanish.
I'm supposed to be reading this.
Yeah, you should. Language is great, dude. I love languages. The best way to learn a language is to actually like be immersed in it, honestly, and like have a reason to learn it. So again, the only reason I really know Spanish is I had a girlfriend in Colombia and she only spoke Spanish, and so yeah. Oh, too funny sensation, dude. I get these notifications from TikTok. Do you want to see what the notification is?
Hey, go on.
1 sec. You're gonna crack up at this, dude. Here, I'll post it in the chat for you. Okay, here, let's try and do Shantrix's question though.
I'm ready to teach if you are.
All right, let's do it.
Okay.
Why?
Okay,
I
there's
know.
3 things you need to know on this. There's 3 things you need to know to do this.
Okay, what's up? Quadrilateral. Yeah.
You know the Solomon equation. Duh. You need to know distance formula. If you would do and copy that, please.
You want the distance formula? Okay.
You need to know distance formula.
Okay, distance is equal to the square root of y2 minus... I find it funny, Sensation, that they actively monitor for it. These Chinese people must have like such like crazy AI, right? Isn't that nuts?
If you can guess the gross
Or
part
a
of the
population of billions.
square root.
Yeah, I guess so. Probably got
It's
some.
going to be square root solving.
Okay, cool.
And then Heron's formula.
Sorry, what formula?
Heron's. Heron.
Oh, Herons. Herons formula.
Thank you. Yep.
Okay. Okay. Let me
This,
look
I
at it.
already know it. You don't have to write it up. Square root.
Oh,
of
you're gonna
S
write it for me? Okay, cool.
Times A times S minus B times S minus C, where S is the half the perimeter.
All right. So
of the triangle,
Huron.
given triangle.
What's the Herons formula?
Given as the square root of the square root again, yay, the square root of the following. Mid square root of the following. S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C, where S is half the perimeter. Where S is half the perimeter of a given triangle. So it's half the perimeter of a given triangle. So it only works for triangles.
But what does this equal?
The area of a given triangle.
Oh, this is the area.
Of a given triangle. Not an area of a given triangle, not of a quadrilateral.
Sorry, what are you saying? Area of what?
A given triangle.
A given triangle.
You can't use base height. You can't use base height divided by 2. You don't know these right.
Slowly and
You don't know
clearly.
Thank you, Sensation.
You won't be able to use
It's
base
okay.
height.
Why can't I? Well, someone says that I can just use 2 triangles for this. Do you think so?
That's what they're doing. They're doing 2 triangles. What I'm saying is you can't do base height because you don't know the height, nor do you know where the intersection of the height to the other line would be.
Well, don't I know the height here is 2? Because this is at C and this is at C plus 2, and then this is down at 4. I know the height of this triangle. No, right?
Well, yeah, no, I didn't notice that.
Yeah, right. I know the height of this triangle is 2.
Yeah,
You're
yeah,
right though
did
that
not
I
remember.
don't know this one. I do not know this one.
That's actually much nicer than it looked.
Okay, well let's see if it works, and then we can use your method if,
You do
if
that.
we
You
need
do know
to.
that height. Sorry, you do know that height.
Well, I know this is C minus 4, right?
You know the height. Now we just input, so we don't need a
Oh,
distance.
okay. There is one positive integer with the probability that the area of PQRS is 180. Determine this value. Okay, cool. All right, let's just do it.
Yep. So go ahead and move the D and the H and the herons and remove those things. We don't need them.
I mean, we may need them later. I mean, whatever.
Just made it
We just made our life easier. Love that.
a lot easier. About a page and a half of work to probably.
It's okay. You learned something along the way, dude. It's all the friends we made.
Base height, half base height plus half base height.
Yeah, 1/2 base height for this one. So that's going to be
Plus
equal
half base
to
height,
1/2
yeah,
C times 2, right? Because the base here goes from C to 2C. Plus 1/2 C times C minus 4.
C and C minus 4. Yep, and then
And then this has
and
to
then that
equal
equals
to 180. Okay, this is
180.
not too bad.
180.
So 2C plus C squared minus 4C equals 360. I'm just going to multiply everything by 2. Yeah?
Yep, and you can also maneuver everything because you need to
Let's
maneuver
do
everything
it.
in nice order.
C squared minus 4C. Oh, sorry.
Nope.
Minus 2C.
Yep.
Minus 360 equals 0.
Yep. Yep, and then this can be solved by factoring most likely. We don't
Yeah,
agree
okay.
right now. Actually, I do agree with his. You know why? I can see mistakes. 1/2 of 2C is,
See?
which you don't have that.
What do you mean?
1/2 of 2c is 2c. Correct?
Wait, are you talking about from here to here?
Mhm.
No, I
1/2
just
of-
got rid of the 1/2s by multiplying both sides by 2.
Oh, yep, I see. Yep. You're
Yeah. Why is the height C minus 4? Shantrick says. Well, we know this has a height of C, right? And this has a height of 4, so the difference has to be C minus 4, right?
Yeah. So
Okay.
C, so this might factor.
Do you think I can factor this? I need factors of 360 that add to -2.
It may factor.
I got 6 and 60, 12 and 30,
You need
24 and
factors of
15.
360. I'm gonna do
I
2
don't think it
180.
does. I like to always just get close, right? If I'm getting close, the closest I think of is like 36 and 10.
4.
18 and 20, right? Oh, this is it. It's 18 and 20. It's 18 and 20,
You're not,
right?
Dr. Gold, I have to go.
Okay, dude. Yo, happy birthday, dude. Go eat some bizcocho for me, dude.
I got you.
All right, dude. Nice. Happy birthday, bro. We'll see you around.
Are you guys gonna do a Friday thing or no?
We're gonna do. I don't think we'll host it on this stream. We may, but we're gonna do a trivia quiz party with E to the 2i Pi on Friday. It'll be a lot earlier though. I'll let you. I'll make an announcement in the server.
What's it called? What would is it gonna be math questions, the trivia?
Oh yeah, definitely.
I think it's math
It's
trivia.
math
I think it is.
It's
So,
also
like-
not 8th grade math too.
Yeah.
It's solid
Yes,
math.
I know I'm not gonna win that.
It's okay. It'll be a fun time.
Hey, I'll give it a try.
Yeah, give it a try, and then we'll see. Maybe we can do a Fortnite tournament. Do you play Fortnite, Alex? I forget what games do you play.
Yeah, I play Fortnite, but like, we could do. Do you have FIFA?
No, I don't have FIFA, unfortunately.
Get
I could
World
do
of
Fortnite.
Tanks.
World of Tanks, I should.
I should play that game.
Yeah, it's a fun one. It's fun. Yeah, we do Roblox, we do Fortnite, and we do Jackbox. Jackbox is fun. I've done those game nights before. Maybe we'll do it on Sunday. Yeah, Sunday maybe.
Okay, now here's a problem I'm already seeing.
See you.
All right, good to see you, Alex. Dude, peace.
I've already spotted a problem.
What's the problem, dog?
What is the
What's it?
question?
C equals 20.
What is it
or
asking for?
C equals -18.
That's incorrect. Oh, that is correct. Yay, it happened. Because it's negative. That happened.
There is one positive integer that the area determine. Yeah,
I was
is
thinking that
the
was
answer
double
20?
positive.
Answer's 20.
Yep. Well, we have to check it. You still have to put things in and hope. So 20 times
I think
2
it's
is 40. And then 20 times 16 is 360. Well, that's not looking. 16. No, I'm having 16 times 20 divided by 2. 16 times 20.
Now use the similarity of triangles.
That's 160. And then 40 is 20. Yay, that worked. 180.
Yeah. Okay.
So
Cool.
C is 20. The value of C must be 20.
C is 20.
That was a
Shantrix,
nice one.
Shantrix is checking it. This was actually a really nice one. I really enjoyed this one. Yeah. So that one wasn't too bad.
You want to do the cube? You want to do the cube, or do you want to not mess with that? Because I can't help you with that one.
No, it's okay. I think that's a good question for Shantrix. Good job, Shantrix. I like it.
Irritation question that's in there.
It's 20.
You put trigonometric first. Ethan's still around. We can give his. His
Yeah.
nice.
And also
This is
Nick. I gotta help Nick out
minute
too.
problem. Ethan's a minute problem.
Okay. Sorry. I was having too much fun there. Okay.
Ethan's a minute problem if we
Yeah, but let me go in order. So I got Adarsh. Adarsh, what's up? Adarsh, are you in the chat still?
Oh, we skipped the veritation then, 'cause that's the next in order based on that was earlier in order, but that person might not be here right now.
Oh yeah. Oh, we gotta put check marks on things, dude. Which ones did we do? Oh, you put the
I
check
did.
mark.
I already did.
Thank you.
I'm doing
Thank you, bro.
things.
All right, here. Let me help out
I'm
Adarsh's.
doing-
Adarsh's, Ethan's, and then Nick. I will do all of your trackman questions. Okay.
On the following, what do you want? So you have to pitch it
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
other one too.
No, I got it. Yeah, and they want us to find f of x.
Is that the only thing, or do you want us to find something?
Wow, f
specific?
of f of x? f of x? Wait, why?
That's easy.
That sounds way too off.
What do you want us to do?
That sounds way
Inverse?
off.
Or something?
No,
like
they just want to find f of x. Okay.
That's easy. Yeah.
So, f of
That's-
x.
You know,
What's up, Ethan?
look, I do not mean to interrupt, but here's a little problem that I'm in.
Yeah.
I'm trying to complete a physics, and I have to do a graph section,
Okay.
but it's like I was supposed to perform an experiment, and with my group, they did not record their results, and I did not even get to do myself.
Oh, yeah, that happens all the time, dude. You just gotta make stuff up. It's okay.
If I make stuff up, the teacher is going to make up my grade instead.
He's not wrong.
I mean, so like, what? I do not know what to do. I've been asking people what their tables are. Sometimes they get completely different results.
Yeah, that's common, dude. For a lot of lab classes, that's like that.
They do because they didn't do any.
Yeah.
They didn't do the work.
Yeah, they didn't
Based
do
on
the work,
that.
dude. Yeah, they did the work. Dude, what is 3 to the 3
Like,
of the
what-
x, dude?
Nothing, that's it. It's done.
One of my yeah, one of my group members said that the teacher said that it's like we are supposed to have the same kind of results, but I'm comparing two tables right now. They somewhat have different results.
They're probably like kind of similar, dude. Close enough. Whatever, dude. Right?
The teacher will not notice.
The teacher will notice, but they're not gonna care.
Well, I hope.
Oh, is
I
that
hope
really?
they do not, because I want to pass in physics.
Well,
Yeah,
also you
simplify.
gotta think about you don't have anything else you can like do.
It's a power
Right.
tower, so it doesn't simplify.
It is just 3 to the 3 of the x. This is kind of weird,
Yes,
dog.
it's
This is really
not-
just
not a
3 to
power
the
tower.
3 to the x. That's it.
Exactly.
When the
Now, what
theory
is
and the
3
data disagree, ignore the data. Yes.
And Dr.
Uh oh.
It is definitely f of x is 3 to 3 to the x.
Yeah. Okay. This is what it
Not-
is at Darsh. It's just weird. Yeah. That's okay though. I mean, the better
was
one
the-
would have been this. F of G. Everything is an outlier if you look at it right. Yeah, that's true. F of G of x. This would have been a funner one to do, right? Because this would have been 3 to the what, and it would be 3 to the log base 3 of x. Do you know what this is, Adarsh? 3 to the log base 3 of x. I was just teaching this to a student the other day. It's important. Very important. It kind of tripped me up. Yeah, that one trips you up. But like, what is this? What's... Yeah,
Oh.
F to the G to the H to the K of x. Yeah, what? Yeah.
That's
What is-
nice. That's
What is 3 to the log base 3 of x? I want you to know this. This is a good one to know. Good little log rule. Is it x? It is. Yeah.
a B's B.
A of log base A of B is also just equal to B. I'll show you why that is. Okay. So let's say, for instance, you had, let me think how I want to do this. Yeah. Okay.
There is
Yeah.
an easy way. There is an easy way to do it. You know how I would prove this.
Yeah. Watch this. Watch this. This is how I'm going to do it. So log base A of A. Let's just say log base A of A was equal to B. All right. And then let's do A to the.
Yep, that too. That
Right.
works.
Yeah. So if I wrote this out in exponential form, which is this to the this equals this, that gets me A to the B is equal to B, which means right?
Almost.
Yeah.
You've-
Wait 1 sec. Right. A to the B is equal to B, right?
That's not that.
That's not it.
I'm gonna help you. Lord A.
Yeah.
what's-
How's the way I explain this again? Sorry.
I'll do mine. Let's assume, so let is a let equation. You gotta use a let for the let log A of B equal to x. Let. So it's a let, yeah, let it's yeah. Log let
Oh, log of A.
log the power to B equal to x.
Mm-hmm.
Let's now write this into a form we like.
A to the X equals B.
Then A to the x must equal. Nope. No. Let's take the log. No, I gotta do the start. That's a weird one.
Yeah. Okay. Watch this. Okay.
No, I did it
Then
wrong
A,
already.
then, okay. No, I got
I've
it.
done-
Then A to the X equals B.
No,
If I do
mine
A
wrong.
to the
Yeah.
this is A to the X and then this is a to the
Right,
log
do the
base a of b, well, then this also must be a to the x, which is then just b.
Can I do this again? I got a better one. Let a to the log a of b equal x. Let,
All right, sorry, what is it?
that's not
What
a
we're
help,
saying?
That doesn't evaluate.
What are you saying, sorry?
Let a to the log a of b equal to x.
Okay, fine.
That must mean, so that must be that log a of x is the same as log a of b. Well, the only way this is true is if x and b are the same. Then x
Oh,
must equal.
I see. Because then
if you want to know my earlier mistake, I didn't write the proof. I didn't state the proof.
Yeah, okay.
I didn't state the claim. I stated
Okay,
as a
right,
I
right.
did not state-
Log of a to the I got you. Log of a to the x. Right, okay.
must equal a-
Okay,
x
okay.
must equal-
Okay, yeah, wait. And the way you show that, right, is you take the log of both sides, right? So then I have log base a of a to the log base a of
Yep.
b is equal to log base a of x. And then
log a of b. No.
this comes down, and then this is just 1. So then you get, yes, log base a of b is equal to
Must
log base a of
is
x.
a of x. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And b must equal. And the only way
So
this is true.
good.
is
So b equals x. Okay, that tells me this equals to b. Okay, that's it. That's the proof. I remember it's a weird one, but yes, that is the proof.
But actually, there's another thing I could do. One change x to b, and then do this again, and then write it out. So change all your x's to b's. So,
Oh,
and then it'll actually prove itself.
a log base a of b is equal to b.
Well, b, then log a of b must equal log a of b. Duh.
Got it. Yeah, right, yeah. Log base
We have a duh
a,
statement.
log base a. Yeah, all right, cool. That's consistent. All right,
And then,
nice.
we have a duh. And then we have a duh. Log a of b must equal log a of b.
Yes. All right, good job.
Yes, and then,
Nice.
yes.
Good job,
You can see the response.
Adarsh.
Did you see under Adarsh's comment?
Under his comments, sorry. what?
Assuming log is constrained again to allow.
Invertibility. Yes,
Yeah,
I
it
agree.
doesn't work. Great.
Doesn't work. Okay,
Ethan?
Ethan, let's do Ethan's, and then I'm doing all of Nick's. Okay.
We
Ethan,
also
what's
have
up?
That one supposed question.
Who's that from?
Someone in the other Discord. Someone in.
Oh,
Someone in. Oh, that's from
Obies. Or
this
who's-
chat somewhere. Let me find it. From Tevin. The Tevin Sauce one.
Oh, Kevin. Okay, I know Kevin. Yeah, that's okay.
It
All
was
right,
a Sears bottle.
Ethan, let's try to do this. How do we? Or Ethan's back. How do we prove this one? How do we prove lines are perpendicular?
Okay, it's like.
What do
I'm
we
trying
know
to
about
figure-
perpendicular lines?
I want to
Well-
ask one thing to Ethan before we do this. Ethan, is
Yeah.
this
Okay.
does this have to be formal proof or not?
No, this is dude. He's in like 9th grade, dude.
I said it.
Wait, no, wait, hold on.
That. This is a proof statement.
No, hold on, wait, what did he ask? What did he ask?
Does this have to be a formal proof, which means you're saying claim and then the reason for that move.
The reason? I do not think so. I'm just.
Okay,
I know.
It's me making sure.
It's like I'm supposed to, I don't know, find points and then plot them, and that's it.
Well, there's an easier way to do that, but yes, that's. I was wondering if it had to be formal or not. It's
Nah. All right, but yeah, what I know about perpendicular lines, the product of them have to be equivalent to -1, and they have to intersect once.
The product of them have to be
intersection
-1. The product of the slopes has to be -1.
Oh yeah, the gradients.
which also
Oh, the
means
grid.
what? Which also means what? Does that
They're
doesn't-
the
that
they're
does
the
not-
negative the negative they're the negative reciprocals of each other, right?
I was gonna say that, but yes, that's what I was hoping he was gonna say.
Yeah, or inner product. Are you gonna use Rolle's theorem? Fucking test it in. Dog, that's like using an acetylene torch to like light a candle or something, dude. Like chill. Okay, I want to put these into slope-intercept form first. Yeah, right.
Well, we don't need to do completely slope-intercept form. We just need the slopes in slope-intercept.
Yeah, but then they also have to intersect. So it
We
just
don't
makes
know
things
intersect.
easier. Yeah, let's just do it.
If they are perpendicular slopes, they must intersect once. They're both linear, so they must intersect once.
Correct. Okay.
That's already done for you.
All right. So this, right? I'm gonna rewrite like this. So I get y is equal to negative 3 over 2x plus 7 halves. Yeah, Ethan?
Yeah. But they go. Yeah, I understand.
Okay, what's up?
I mean, it's just that it has to be in the formation of y is equivalent to mx plus c, right?
Correct. It should
Yes.
be. It'll help you out in
Okay.
life if it is. Okay, what do we do next?
Yeah. And I like to, I like to convert these into decimals.
Decimals? No.
Surprise,
No, 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 no,
motherfucker.
no, 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 no.
Don't do it,
This
dude.
one's
Don't.
okay, but don't
Bro,
leave it.
dude, keep the fractions,
Bro.
dog.
The fractions hurt my head.
Okay.
They literally hurt my head.
Dude, the
Give
decimals,
reason.
decimals hurt my head.
Let me give
Dude,
you a reason.
Decimals are more accurate. They're more accurate.
dude, bro, he's
No.
telling me decimals are more accurate. Excuse me.
Yes, like they give me a better idea as to where is where. Fractions, how am I supposed to figure that out?
Okay.
Let me give you one. Okay,
All right.
Ethan,
He's gonna. Yeah, Ethan's
don't
gonna give you
put
one.
this in a calculator for me. I'm gonna prove it in a fun way.
Decimals are terrible.
Do 7 divided by 99, and do negative 1 divided by 99, negative 99 divided by 7.
Ah, I did not even hear that. What?
7 divided
Yeah.
by 99. Is that what you're saying? You're saying this?
Negative 99 divided by 7. As decimals, and prove
Yeah.
their opposites.
Oh, I see. He's saying prove that this is the opposite of negative 99 over 7. Yeah.
As decimals rounded.
As decimals, it doesn't. Yeah, you're not really gonna see that,
As decimals
Ethan.
rounded.
Yeah. The reason why you want to keep things as fractions is it's a lot easier to see that things are the negative flip of each other. You can't see that when they're decimals, right?
What I've done with these two is I know these are repeating decimals, which means they're going to be
Correct.
rows when they come out. When
Nah,
they
nah, 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 nah.
Yeah, 'cause,
nah,
look, he's-
guys, I think
rounded. So 0.07. That's
Point-
it. 0.07 is all we get.
Okay.
0.07. It's not 0.707. It's 0.07.
Yeah, 0.07. Sorry.
That's it. That's all you get.
Yeah. Yeah.
Don't natural law this, please.
And this is 99 over 7, which is 14.14.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are they negative 14.14? Prove their opposites.
Yeah, you can't really
how
see
are they
that.
opposite?
Well, he's saying that
They're
one is
opposite.
the negative reciprocal of the other. So
That's 1 divided by that. Yeah, which is that. So prove their
Right.
opposites.
So if you do this, for instance, times the other one, you should get -1, right? If you
Right.
do this in a
But here's the
calculator, you get 0.9999997.
Prove
Oh,
them
yeah,
with
yeah, yeah,
decimals.
it's close
Prove them with
enough.
rounded decimals. Multiply the rounded decimals together.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Multiply them rounded.
Yeah. They
But to
don't.
be
They
honest-
definitely don't.
To be honest,
Which means this is
The
incorrect
way-
if we were to prove this.
you know, actually, okay, look, the thing is, I've actually, like, while you were solving other questions, I actually did, like, do the homework.
Okay.
And I
Good.
used the decimal formation.
Yeah. But I mean, Seth brings up a good point of it'll work here, Ethan, because these are not very weird looking fractions, right? It's like 3/2. It's easy to write it as a decimal that's exact. But if if your fraction is not nice, so if it's like 7 over 11 or something, you're gonna end up doing rounding, and that'll screw things up because it won't be exactly equal to -1 when they multiply
you
together.
do have to deal with decimals. Don't round to the end.
Yeah. But even as we saw there with the calculator, even if you tell it to just raw put in the input, it still won't get it.
Well, it will if it decides if you do not change, if you do not write it, if you just answer multiply.
No, I did that. No, I did that. Dude, I did that, man.
No, you
I'm
didn't.
pretty
You
sure-
wrote it. Those are written numbers. Answer times answer, please. You have to do answer times answer
How do you do that?
for me to like it.
Wait, one
Otherwise,
sec,
you just write the numbers. That doesn't work.
Wait. Okay, one sec. So you're saying if I do 7 over 99 times second answer? Oh, it does work. Okay, you're right. Yeah, okay, that way
Because
works.
your numbers were rounded. You rounded them when putting them back in,
No, I didn't put them back. I just went up and hit enter.
which is rounded.
I guess it's rounded.
Unless
Okay.
you put the answer.
All right, Ethan, just keep things as fractions for me, please. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Well,
3y.
I did not in this case. I did not
Okay.
in this case.
All right. Well, let's just do it. You know, actually, you really do need to do this, bro, because this is 2/3. That doesn't turn into a nice decimal.
I mean,
2/3
It's
is
not-
2/3 is nice.
No, it's
You know why?
0.66666666, right?
No, it's not. It's 0.6 repeating.
Yeah. Right, but you still
Decimals
have
are
to.
nice, but repeating decimals.
Yeah. Okay.
Dude, it
so-
cracks me up just how aggressive autistic people can be.
bro, I'm super aggressive right now, dog. I'm getting hella
yeah,
aggressive.
I mean, like, I don't know. It's just that you just have to say it's like I feel like decimals are better though.
So Ethan, it's okay. One sec.
Cases are very
Yes,
not.
when I was your age, and dude, even college students do this. Whenever you're going through like homework questions, especially in physics, people love to put things in their calculator and start writing down decimals because there's something they are familiar with it more. Okay. The issue with that is that as you keep doing things with decimals, you're not going to see nice things that cancel out because they're hidden in being decimals. The example of this was when we were doing, what question were we doing where I had like a bunch of things like canceling out? Was it
the fraction decomposition?
Yeah, did that one do it? Well,
Yeah,
that did.
it
No, I'm trying to think of a better example. Was it this one? Whose question was it? Yeah, maybe stuff like, yeah, like this for example. If I had done, for instance, like 5 squared over 5 cubed as a decimal, I wouldn't see that it would just cancel out to 1 over 5. Like a lot of these things, Ethan, you only catch because you keep things as fractions. Yeah. What's 9 plus 0 factorial? 10.
Here's my pre-cal teacher said this. Gave us this challenge.
Yeah.
For any decimals you put on your answers other than selective ones, I will count them wrong.
Well.
No way.
Well, it's okay. All right. Anyways, Ethan, here, let's do your question because I want to get to Nick before like it becomes his bedtime. Okay, what do I do here? Once we got this.
So you can like you pick out the gradients, right? You pick out the gradients, right?
Gradients, yeah. It's a fancy word for slope, but yeah.
Hey, come on, just find slope or steepness, whatever you want to call it.
What's up, Frozen Fusion? So then you do negative 3/2 times 2/3.
Or like -1. Is it just negative 1.5 and then negative?
No. But, okay, but bro. Watch how the fractions are better, dude. Because watch, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. These kings cancel. 3 on the top, 3 in the bottom. These things cancel. Now you're just left with -1. You see how nice that is?
Alright then.
That's fucking beautiful. Yeah.
I guess you could say that's better than this fraction in this case.
It's very better. Okay, nice. Good job.
You want to know how I like?
Well,
it's like we also.
Based on what we said, we can just factor that negative out of there and not be in the way.
About that to go. I wanted to say something.
What do you want to say?
I wanted to say something.
What do you want to say, dude?
Yeah. I'm supposed to plot the points on a graph. Like I'm supposed to show on a graph, so graphically that it's perpendicular.
Yeah. All right. Just graph the lines. You'll see them. They intersect.
I mean, I did what's called a table. I used using a domain, and I mean, it was pretty much straightforward from there. And hey,
nice.
I checked it on Desmos. It was actually correct.
2 lines.
Also,
lines of
but
order 1
there is more
are always
that
always will intersect once.
Yeah, but
Yes.
yeah, one thing.
Zero times
Seth,
1.
give me a second. 1 sec. Ethan, what?
Yeah, I'm stuck in this situation. Like I was just checking on Desmos. I was using the 2 tables. They both give me like a different kind of best fit line to use. Like I could show you the image of what my classmates got.
Okay. Oh, are you talking about for your physics assignment?
Yeah, it's like I'm figuring out which one I should use. One of them is more straight. The other has like some pointers that are just straight out of the line.
Yeah, those are called like outliers. Also, technically, the way to do this is to graph the residuals, and if there's a shape to the residual, then it uses the wrong best fit model. That's how that works, technically. I don't think you're going that far in depth. Yeah, just show it. Send it to me.
It's just like plotting the points, and that's it.
Endar says pi is just 3. Oh my god, dude. What? Endar, are you an engineer? No. Pi is just 3. Yeah, what's up, Ethan?
Here's the thing about what I said about 2025. Again, it's like I'm trying to make this year the best year. Not only just like, well, it's because mathematically it is a rare year to come across. And here's what I'm trying to do. So you know how schools would rate GPAs out of 4.0?
Correct.
Mine does it out of 4.5.
Yeah, some of them are weighted differently. Yeah.
Yeah, and now I'm trying, and see, in my first semester, my report card, I got 3.73.
Okay, that's not bad. It's like an A.
And the thing is that I want to actually get a 4.0 because
Nice.
if I do so, it will be my very first time actually achieving that.
That would be dope, dude.
So
I
what I'm
believe in
trying
you,
to do is that I'm trying to get A+ on every subject. It's like
Okay.
if I can get 95, then I've already earned the max amount of points.
Yeah, man, that would be great. Oh, dude, who redeemed Master Chief? Master Chief's in the house.
And yeah,
What's
I
up,
need to
Fusion?
get, and at least I need to get 4.27 for that goal to happen, which will
Okay.
really require a lot of concentration. Hence
Yeah,
why I'm
concentration
going to-
and, you know, always get help here. We got you, dude.
Hence why I am literally locked in for this last year. It's my graduation year. Why not
Nice.
go all in for the last
Yeah,
time?
go all in, dude. Lock in, dude, and fucking send it, bro.
I sent the images to the chat.
The images?
See,
Okay.
which one do you think? Which one do you think is better, the black one or the green one?
All right, let's see. One sec. Let's do some data. And then, Nick, you're up to bat. I'm doing your question next.
This is the last delay, and that's it. Look at the two images and compare them.
Okay. What about them? Yeah, these are two different sets of
Which
data.
one should I do? Which one should I
pick
use?
The green. The green one looks much better, dude. What? Yeah.
The plot, like the what's up with the black one then? Is it because the
This one,
points are not really aligned?
these two are kind of like outliers. Is what I would say. Like you kind of want your graph to look like this, but like there's some funniness happening here. Some like weird stuff. See that?
Okay.
This
and so
data
with
looks
the-
nice
with
if it's supposed to be linear.
I mean, it does not matter if it's linearly related. Okay. But just
It does. If
I
it's a
guess I
linear,
can-
if it's a linear trend, you want it to look like the green one. Yeah, for sure.
okay.
If this
but
was,
just
for
have to go with-
instance, if this was a titration curve,
Oh,
then that
gosh,
would be
no,
cool.
No.
Then I'm cool with this.
No.
If this is chemistry,
I'm not doing any chemistry with titration, all right? I'm not titrating.
or it could be an
anything.
IV curve for plasma physics if you wanted to be.
No plasma physics either. I'm just doing regular physics. But one last question, Delago.
Okay, one last question.
If you don't,
I don't mind.
what suitable scale could you use for both axes?
What scale?
Yeah, because I'm planning to
linear, linear?
Remember? So
Yeah, linear. Just
What?
use the scale. Oh, you mean like what should your markers be?
yes. Yeah, like
0.1?
1 centimeter to what?
Yeah, just do
stuff.
0.1. Just do 0.1. So that's 10 centimeters. I assume this is in meters, no?
Yeah, this is like, I mean, this is like the reflection and refraction of light. Refraction of light. So
Yeah,
I can't
do it in 10 centimeter increments.
10 centimeter increments, but that would mean that the line's too small. It's all in 0 point stuff.
Yeah, well, I assume this is in meters. So 10 centimeters is 0.01. Or sorry, it's this.
No, this is reflection slash refraction of light. Like, this is like sin I and sin R. So it's not. There's not really any.
Yeah. Okay.
no
Yeah.
unit.
It's unitless. Yeah. So then yeah, just use
Unitless.
0.1, dude. Look at this. Like 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. All it's one.
Okay. Well, yes, and or what if I shortened it? What if I shortened it to do like 0.25?
Well, then you'd miss a lot of shit because 0.1 is nowhere close to
wait.
0.25. Then you got 0.3, you got 0.5. Just use 0.1, dude. Use 0.1. Do it. Use 0.1.
Man, I want to go shorter so the line is longer.
Yeah, I like
Okay.
that too.
I mean, is there anything smaller than 0.1? Because I cannot really figure that out.
No, just use 0.1. Okay.
All right, and yeah, I think that's all I need.
Okay. Cool. Nice. Okay, good.
That's dope.
What's up, Nick? Let's do your questions, dude. What's up, Nick?
I have been waiting.
Yes, thank you for waiting, dude. You've been waiting almost 2 hours. Appreciate it. Okay. All right, here we go. Percent error. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So percent error is always observed minus expected divided by expected all times 100. Okay.
Mhm.
The other way you can kind of think about this is equal to like the actual minus the theoretical. Or
Mhm.
whatever. Fuck the word theoretical. Just say the actual minus the guess. All over the guess.
Yeah. That's much better.
Yeah, we like these words. Okay. So from this word problem, right? Which one is the guess and which one's the actual?
40 is the guess.
Good. Which is cool. They literally say it's estimated that it's that. Okay. And then what's the actual?
38.5 or 38.5.
Yeah, 38.5. Or, yeah, 38.5. This is the one time I'll allow you use decimals over fractions. Okay. Mainly because it's like engineering stuff. We don't care. Okay, so this is then 38.5 minus 40 all over 40 times 100. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So this is going to be negative 1.5 over 40 times 100. Oh, and you don't get a calculator on this exam, do you?
I don't think so. On Google it says no, and then it probably will be, probably won't. Just in case.
It's kind of annoying.
Cancel.
Yeah.
Yeah, cancel. What? Yeah, okay, so here's what you... Well, whatever.
So, let me show you an easy... Let me show you one
show me the easy
step.
way, Seth. Yeah, what's the easy step?
Decimal movement. Let's multiply that top.
Oh,
fraction
yeah, okay.
Bottom fraction by 10.
Yeah,
and this
because
is
we're
the-
multiplying by 100, Nick.
No.
We're
You're
gonna
not.
move this thing two places.
No, I'm not doing 2 places. I'm doing 1.
Oh, because you're using one with here.
Second. And then I'm going to divide by 100. And then I'm just going to cancel the zeros. Because you can.
Yeah.
Multiply the top 10, which doesn't change anything. That's negative 15 400ths. And if we time by 100, we're deleting the zeros from both of the cases.
Okay. That's a little confusing for Nick, honestly. I don't think Nick wants to do
Multiply
that.
top and bottom by 10.
I'm not gonna complicate Nick's life too much. That's too complicated for Nick. I know Nick. Don't worry. It's a cool math trick, Seth. Don't get me wrong. That's a cool math trick, but I don't think he's gonna do it, so it's okay. All right. What I would do is I would multiply this by 100. Multiplying by 100 means what do I do with the decimal place?
Move it back.
Move it. How many places? What do you mean back? Which way? Which way's back?
Well, forward, back, to the right.
To the right. We're gonna do that 2 places, right?
Yeah.
Bing. Yep. All right. Now we have negative 150 over 4, right? So now I'm gonna cancel out these.
That's where. Yeah.
Okay. And now I have negative 15 fourths, which this you should be able to kind of think about. Do you know what 15 fourths is?
3
He's the
point
track
something.
man. Good. It is 3 point
point
something. It's 3. Let's write this as a mixed fraction. 3 and how many fourths?
3. Negative.
3.5.
Not 3.5.
No.
So remember, 3 times 4 gets you 12, right? But what are you trying to get to?
Oh, 3. I thought it would have been a 2. Then 30.
30? Wait, where are you getting 34? Sorry, what? 30? 30.
Well, 3 point whatever. So then it would drop down to 0.
Wait. Where's the 0?
I'm
Division
saying like
problem.
if you do like long division.
No. So watch here. Wait. It's 3, and then what fraction's left here?
I don't know.
This is gonna be 3/4, Nick. Okay.
Oh, you're just doing fractions.
Yeah, I'm just doing fractions.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, how so much?
We're fine. 2.
It's okay. 3 and 3/4. Okay. And then what is 3/4? As like a decimal.
25.
Sorry, what?
No? Wait. 75.
75. 0.75.
Yeah.
But yeah. So that's why this is 3.75.
No. You get a no on that one.
What? I get a no, dude? What's the no for?
Negative 3.75. Thank you.
Negative.
Oh, fuck the negative, dude. Whatever. It's because it's the absolute value. Percent error is the absolute value, technically.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but Seth is technically right. There technically is a negative there.
Yeah.
There's a
Okay.
negative in there, and then it's.
Okay, so then yes. What answer is it most nearly?
4%.
4. Yes, good job.
That's so much better. The observed is so confusing.
Yeah, observed minus expected over expected. This can be confusing. So think of it this way: it's just actual minus guess over guess.
Yeah, that's more easier to remember.
Yeah,
Thank you.
It's okay. Yeah, you're good. Okay. What was the other question you had? All of these? Wait, didn't we do? We did these, dog. What are you talking about?
We did the first page, not the second one, but you need the first page for the second one.
What? Cutting the holes?
No, the other one, the top
Oh,
one.
for Jeff did one. Can't be. Weapons.
What kind of questions can I send? You can send whatever you want, dog. Math or science, preferably. Yucky.
History is fine with though.
How did you combine both chats, the YouTube and the
yeah, actually, yeah, someone was asking me about that. Oh, Zach was asking me about that. I use something called Social Stream Ninja. If anyone wants to know, it's super cool. One sec. Social Stream Ninja. Yeah, this is it. Super useful.
It's crazy how it combines them both.
It combines all the chats. Yeah, it's one chat to rule them all.
More convenient. Do you also see it as one chat, or you see it as multiple?
I see it as one chat. Yeah, I have an OBS window somewhere over here. Like, if you want to see what this looks like, one second, I'll just take a picture so you guys can see all the things that are happening. Yeah, I'll send it to
I
you.
thought like you see multiple, but we see one.
How deep into science? So
How deep into science? How deep you want to go, dude? I have a PhD in physics. Does that help you?
I took that way too far.
We can go pretty deep. At least if it's plasma. If you start asking me about like cosmology and stuff, like might not really happen. How deep is your science? My screenshot. I want my screenshot to work. One sec. What is that sensation? Is that one comedian dude who does things? One sec.
If you know, you know.
If you know, you know. Wait, I can apply dark mode now on Google Photos? Oh, hell yeah, dude. What? Where's that? Definitely need dark mode.
Oh yeah, it's been out for like a year or two or something.
Yeah, one sec. We need the dark mode. Oh, dude, it's so much nicer.
Yeah.
I was like, oh my god. He says I'm in OChem 2 and Physics 2. I can help you out with the chemistry, sorry, probably. But yeah, if you guys were wondering like what my chat looks like, this is my OBS screen.
God damn.
Yeah, this is my OBS that's streaming to you guys. So the left here has like the combined chat, and then there's the Twitch chat here, and then there's the TikTok chat here, and then there's the Discord chat here. So there's a lot of fucking chats going on. It's the only way I can keep track of fucking everything. And then yeah, up here is how we're also broadcasting. You see how we have like the widescreen form, and then we also have the vertical form? So we do both of those.
My God.
And there's a TikTok chat somewhere in that midst too.
Yeah, and there's a TikTok chat, on the right as well. Yeah.
How the hell did you cramp all that into one monitor?
Yeah, and that's only one of my monitors. I have 4. So this room becomes a goddamn sweatbox. It's so hot. Yes, yeah. I think anybody in any sort of like multi-screen setup should always have one of their monitors in portrait mode. It is so useful for so many things. Like if I'm reading like big papers or certain sorts of documents or posters or things, it's so nice to just have a vertical.
Yeah.
Maybe I work for the government, bro. I would not pass, I don't know, a security clearance. Or a drug test, I don't know.
Or you get a 34-inch monitor.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Is this the question here? In figure 3, if the ties are laid on edge instead of flat, the volume of the stack will be... Sorry, what does that mean?
I think like flipping it to the side. Rotate, yeah.
So wait, what? Why am I doing this?
You rotate instead of... So it's on edge.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Does it mean like I put this one down, I put this one down, I put this one down? Is that what they mean?
I think like the whole stack itself flips.
If the ties are laid on edge instead of... Dude, what? Dude, what is this even asking? Anyways, the volume of the stack should be the same though. That's the main thing. I have no clue what this means, but the volume should be the same, because the volume is just the sum of all the wood. Sir, will you teach physics too? I do teach physics. I teach a lot of physics. Yeah, if you want to submit a physics question, there's a... There we go. We already got some screenshots coming in. Nice. Sahi threw one in. What's up, Sahi? Oh, Jesus. Taylor expansion? Christ. Okay, fine.
I'm grabbing them all and putting them all in the other chat.
All right, go grab them, please. Thank you. All right. Okay. All right, in figure 3, the height of the entire stack is reduced to 12 inches. Taylor expansions, yeah, Zach's favorite. Good job. Yeah, Zach is our resident Taylor series expansion
You deal with that one then.
Sequence expert. Is reduced to 12 inches. Oh, okay. So 12 inches, right? So each one of these, dog, is 6 inches tall.
Mhm.
So I have to have the whole thing only 2 things tall. And they're saying how many of these would I have to move, right? Well, I'd have to move this one, right? Because this one's too tall. And I'd have to move these 2 as well. Yeah, right? So that's why it's 3.
Mhm.
Okay. The number of planks, 3 inches by 6 inches by 8. By 8 feet, sorry. That can be cut from one of these ties. Okay, so I think. One sec. Let me just. I need to do this.
When you're facing something, it's always the width, right?
It doesn't matter. There's actually like an orientation to it. Okay, so this is 6 inches. And what is it? That is this 8? Is this an 8?
Yes.
Yes, an 8-inch.
Okay. And then this is 8 feet, right? Okay. And they want to know the number of 3 by 6 by 8s. Okay, interesting. So, so the 8 foot, right? There's only one side that's long enough, which is this side, right? Okay, so I have to cut things like lengthwise. The question is, do I cut them this way, or do I cut them this way? Right? What is it? Hot dog versus hamburger or something? So, let's consider. So, if it was 3 by 6, okay, I already have the 6 inches here, right? So that means I would have to cut this 3 inches. This one would be 3 inches. 3 inches in width, right? And then I'd have this extra piece, I guess, left over, right? Because this is only 2 inches left. So you can only cut 2 of these pieces, right? Okay. Now let's try and do it the other way. Okay. So instead of doing it this way, let's try to do it this way. Okay. Well, I only need 6 inches this way. Okay. And then this will end up being 3 inches here. And then this would be 3 inches. And then this is 6 inches. Okay, right? So that's, again, only cutting 2. Because then the issue is that this, even though I could get like another 3 inches and another 3 inches, I can't get 6 inches here because this is only 2.
Right.
Yeah. So that's why there's only 2 there's only 2 planks you could cut from that.
If this was a 2, if this was a 4, this is 1 inch longer, we'd have you'd be able to do the entire thing.
Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. What's the connection between Green-Stokes and divergence theorem? Rolle's MBT theorem, yeah. I think Zach explained this. The Green's theorem, Rolle's, it's all just about integrating on different things. It's like surface integrals, I think is what it is. Green's theorems. Nice. We got another screenshot. Ooh, that's a fun one. What's that? Is that? Yes, I can do that one for you for sure. All right. All right. Yeah, grab that one. Okay. Let me see. Okay, and then if all the ties showed in Figure 3 relate end-to-end to form a guardrail, the length of the guardrail would be. Okay. So how many planks do you have, right? You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You got 9 planks?
End to end, as in
like ass to ass, like you gotta like do like this to this. You gotta like yeah.
I think I did that and I got it wrong.
Okay, like, well, how many planks are there?
60 or something.
Well, there's 9 planks. And then how long are the planks?
9 by 8.
9 times 8. What's 9 times 8? 72, by the way.
Right.
Yeah.
I got a brain fart.
It's okay, dude. Okay, nice. Good job. Great.
Do you know the 9
the what?
9 trick?
What's the 9 trick?
Like anything times 9 trick.
I don't know the anything times 9 trick.
Okay, so put your hands up in front of the screen.
Oh, you're talking about this? Yeah, like
Yeah.
yeah.
Did
I know that
show
trick.
you that?
No, I've heard of that trick before. I mean, when I was in
Okay.
like preschool, I guess, or something. But yeah.
Oh.
No, it's a cool
Yeah.
trick. It's still a cool trick, you know.
So which one are we doing now?
I think we're gonna do
Taylor
the Taylor series. Nick, I can come back and do more of your questions later,
there was a
but let me help out these.
Okay.
Instant series from
John Henry.
no, it was an infant series from Tevin.
Yeah. Okay.
That we still have that one yet.
Yeah, we'll get to that if Kevin's here. Okay, cool. This one came from somebody in YouTube. I think the name's usually on the screenshot.
It's on
Sahi23. Sahi23, this is your question, dude. Okay, let h of x equal 3 over 5 minus 2x. Construct a Taylor series expansion of h of x about the point x equals 2. Cool. By clearly indicating the interval of convergence. Hence, find the Taylor series. Okay. Taylor series is usually just like a bunch of derivatives that you have to do. And then you put some x minus a stuff on it. So let me look it up real quick. Let me get the equation. This is it. Thank you.
That looks like one we have. Another one we have too.
Yeah. Okay.
No, it's not the same one, but it looks.
Yeah. So this
I
this f sub n, this is n stands for the derivative. Okay. So if you wanted to write out the first couple terms of this, let me just show it because there's a well, that's the Maclaurin series. I don't want the Maclaurin series. I want this. Yes. This is kind of like what the first couple are. Okay. So what's useful is to calculate what the derivatives are. So really you just need like the first derivative, the second derivative, the third derivative, and so forth and so forth. So I know h of x, which let's call h of x equal to f of x just to make life simple. Okay, h of x equals f of x. Okay. Then f of x is equal to 3 over 5 minus 2x. Good, right? F prime of x. Wait, what's up? What's up, Seth? What am I doing wrong?
And note that h of x was never equal to f of x, so it's a let equation.
Okay.
So it's a let.
It's a let. This is equal to, I want to say, negative 3/2. No. I think it's negative 6. No. Now I'm really messing up. Sorry. It's
Use quotient rule. We did with it.
well, I don't want to use the quotient rule. I want to use the chain rule. Is what I want to use.
We don't use chain rule. It's quotient rule.
No, watch.
It's quotient.
I'll show you how
with
this is
chain
easy. I'll show you this is easier. So this is the same thing as 3 times 5 minus 2x to the negative 1. Okay. Which is the same thing as negative 3, 5 minus 2x to the negative 2 times negative 2. This is much easier. You do not want to use the quotient rule with Taylor series.
But what we were told is that that is not true.
What do you mean that's not true?
I'm teacher said that is not true. That is not a that using negative 1 and then doing
You can
power
totally do
chain.
that. You can totally do that. It's totally legal. Don't worry. I'm a priest
Okay.
or something.
Makes
Yeah.
sense. It's a lot easier if that is.
Well, because I'm going to show you, because you're going to see a trend here. You want to see the trend. So then
I'm looking
this,
yep, I do.
yeah. So then this, right?
Looking
This
for
is
that.
gonna end up
Sure.
being 18. Sorry, one sec. No, it's times 2 times 3. Okay, so actually, I'm going to show you how this works, because you want to see the pattern. Okay, this is 3, and then this is times 2. Okay, and then no. Okay, sorry. This is 1 times 2. Okay. Now when we do the next derivative, this is okay. Watch what happens here. So this is 3 times 2 times 5 minus 2x to the negative 2. This is going to come out front. So I'm going to end up getting 3 times 2 times negative 2. And then that's going to be 5 minus 2x to the negative 3. And then that's going to be times the derivative of what's inside, which is going to be another negative 2. So this is going to cancel. And what we want to show here, right, is that every time you take a derivative, you're going to pull out another times 2. And then you're going to end up pulling down from the exponent bigger and bigger numbers. So this next one is now going to be 1 times 2 times 3 times 2 squared. And then this is 5 minus 2x to the third.
3 times 2 to the n times 5 minus 2 to the n to the negative 1 minus n. See?
Exactly. So there is a trend here. So notice what's happening. We always have 3, always have 3, always have 3. But then this is like 2 to the 0, 2 to the 1, 2 to the 2. And then this is going like times 1 times 1 times 2. This next one is going to be times 1 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 2 to the 3 over 5 minus 2x to the 4th. Okay? And this is f4 of x. So here's the trend. This is cool. I really like these types of questions because this is kind of how pattern recognition works with computer science and things. You're going to recognize that this is an algorithm. One sec. Yeah, you want to find the pattern in the derivative. And the pattern is that this, let's say for instance this thing is n. This is n minus 1 factorial times 3 times 2 to the n minus 1 over 5 minus 2x to the n. Okay? That's how the derivatives work. So, and then this is evaluated at a, which in this case, a is where you're centering around. So that's going to be at 2. Okay? So this is f of this. So I'm going to say fn of 2 is equal to n minus 1 factorial times 3 times 2 to the n minus 1 all over 1 to the n. Because now 2 goes in for x. And that's 5 minus 4, which is just 1. Okay, so this is nice, right? Okay, cool. This goes away.
Is 1 done.
This goes away. Yeah, okay. Now watch this. So that's what this part was. And then we have to say divided by n factorial. So divided by n factorial is going to put an n factorial in here, right? Okay. N factorial is the same thing as n times n minus 1 times... no, sorry. It's n times n minus 1 factorial, right? That's what I want to say? Good.
I was going to say n times n minus 1 times etc.
Good, exactly. Yeah.
And etc.
And then I have x minus a. So then I'm going to have x minus... I'll only have taken Calc 1. What is even happening? Yeah, this is Calc 2. This is or honestly, early Calc 3. And then this is x minus 2 to the n.
It's like, here's a funny piece. I'm going to tell one of this made sense. So this feels like what...
It's really cool. This is the super cool part of calculus. I love this stuff. But it is like scary. Okay, so do you see how this is now equal to this? I forget who even asked this question, by the way. Are you in YouTube, Sahi? I think you asked this, but it's super cool. Okay, so now some stuff is going to start canceling, right? This is going to go away.
Wait, yeah, that's what, yeah.
Right?
Okay.
And now I have 3 times 2 to the n minus 1, x minus 2 to the n, all over n, right?
We're divided by... I'm going to do some things. When n is 1.
What do you mean when n equals 1? Sorry, what?
We don't know that, but...
No, he's talking about, like, I can make this into MVT. Okay. Okay, and now they want to know the interval of convergence. Okay.
Before we do that, can't we divide this by n?
You're totally right. We can. Yeah. Can we?
I have that at the bottom.
Can we?
Yes. I know.
Oh.
This is annoying.
No, you can't. No. You can't. It's just this.
Into the first.
Okay.
Nines.
Okay. So now this is a series. is what this is. This is a series from n equals 0 to infinity of this, is what it
Starts
is.
at 0, right? 0 is not illegal here. I'm not even sure.
I mean, it kind of is.
Well, it's not. It's zeroth derivative, we know. We know the zeroth derivative, which is the function.
Wait, why am I...
The zeroth derivative of a function.
Wait, something's off.
No.
Something's off.
Why?
Oh. Okay, I see why something doesn't work. Yeah, because then this is -1 factorial. That's why it doesn't work. You can't do -1 factorial.
You can.
You can? What's -1 factorial?
Find the integration formula, would you please? There's an integration formula. Yep, I got that. So I got that annoyance.
-1 fact...
No, you typed it wrong. And then let the thing happen.
You can if you extend it to the gamma function. Dude, we're not going that far, dude. It's not that serious. Okay. Oh, that's kind of ill.
You can.
Anyways, whatever. I mean, the first term is obviously a number. That's cool. What I'm worried about is the rest of everything converging. So really, this is starting at n equals 1, and then it's plus the 0th term, which was is just 3 plus 3. Yeah.
Now, we can do one movement that may help us with this. 2 over n to the minus 1. That's if I put a 1 and a positive number in there, which we know these are positive. It's going to do a 1, and then it's going to flip it over into 1/2, 1 to the 2 to the n. It's just going to flip itself over. No, it's not. Okay, so it's actually going to keep squaring. Okay, so it's going to t power by 2.
All right, good to see you, Reki.
Okay.
Anyways, okay, so we gotta prove convergence for this. I think the best way to I think the best way to prove convergence for this is going to be the ratio test. I think. Does anybody have any qualms with me doing this? Is this wrong?
Dr. Dold?
Yeah.
Dold.
What?
Just for that.
Link says it's an invalid streamer. I'm not there. Well, okay.
I know he's alive.
Well, wait, sorry, no, it's Twitch. There it is. Yeah, my Twitch definitely works. You tried that? Okay, well, if I click on it, I show up, dude. Yeah, I'm right here.
Yo, but it says invalid and it's working. So
yeah, I don't know.
Is yours work, maybe?
Oh, okay, whatever. Maybe the government doesn't want you to know about this. It's okay. Okay, limit. One sec. I gotta write down the ratio test.
Yeah, you do.
This is what I want.
That one's the better one because it has a statement. It's a neater statement.
Yeah. Okay, this is the ratio test. So the limit as we go to the nth plus 1 term over the nth term, we're gonna see what happens. So a n plus 1, that's gonna be equal to 3 times 2 to the n plus 1 minus 1, so that's to the n. And then it's x minus 2 to the n plus 1 all over n plus 1. And then we're going to divide that, which means I multiply by the flip, which is going to be n over 3 times 2 to the n minus 1 x minus 2 to the n. Okay. And then we're going to take the limit as n goes to infinity eventually. Right. So what I see, right, is this will cancel with one of these. So this is just gonna be 2 to the minus 1. This will cancel with one of these.
I'm gonna head out. So.
Oh, okay. Thanks for saying, Seth. Appreciate it. Okay, so this is 3 times n. Yeah. No. 3 times x minus 2 times n all over n plus 1 times 3 times 2 to the minus 1. Right? Okay, so the 3s are going to cancel as well. Yeah, so we can just get rid of the 3s. Wow, what a pain of an ass in a question. Okay. Okay. So, 2 comes up top. This goes away. And I'm left with 2xn minus 4n all over n plus 1. And I want to take the limit as n approaches infinity. So, and in order for this to be convergent, I need this to be less than 1. So if I divide everything by n, that gets me 2x minus 4 over 1 plus 1 over n. This goes away, because 1 over infinity is 0. So then I have 2x minus 4 is less than 1, or the absolute value of 2x minus 4 is less than 1. So, Jesus. Okay. So 2x is less than 5, so x is less than 5 halves, or 2x is less than 3, so x is greater than 3 halves. Okay, so that's your radius of convergence is x is between 3 halves and 5 halves to be convergent. Okay, that's a real pain. It's a real royal pain of a question, but it was kind of cool because there's a couple things you have to know. You first have to know how to construct a Taylor series. Then you have to know how to do pattern recognition of the derivatives to write it out in summation form. And then you need to use convergence testing for infinite series to figure out where it's convergent. Yeah. Okay. And so the interval of convergence is from 3 halves to 5 halves. Yeah. Cool. Good question there. Sorry that took so long, but not cool. What the hell even was that? That's a calc. I'm gonna see if this question exists on ChatGPT. I'm just curious. Solve this. We're just gonna let it rip. Well, because that's gonna take a couple minutes, honestly. Yeah, not cool. What the hell was that? Okay. Yucky's got a fun question. That looks like OChem. Let me help out. Let me help you out with the physics. I can probably help you out better with the physics, honestly, than I can many other things. The OChem might be a little shaky. Okay. Yeah, that was a fun one. Okay. Here we go, Yuck. This is yours. Says a simple generator has a square armature of 5 centimeters on a side. The armature has 95 turns of 0.59 diameter copper wire and rotates in a 0.6 Tesla magnetic field. The generator is used to power a light bulb rated at 12 volts and 25 watts. At what rate should the generator rotate to provide 12 volts to the bulb? Consider the resistance of the wire in the armature. Wow. Consider the resistance. When did they give us the resistance? It's a very, very weird question, dude. What? Okay. Was it DBD? Was it? It's something with like magnetic flux and voltage. Yeah, here we go. This is what I want. Okay. This, I think, is what you want. So, voltage is equal to N d phi dt, which is the same thing as, eventually, okay, well, we'll see what we get from here. Okay, so this is BA dB dt. Okay. Square armature of 5 centimeters on a side. So I believe that means that A is going to be equal to 0.05 squared, right? And then they say, at what rate should it rotate? Okay. So if it looks like a square like this, yeah, then the flux is going to change 2A every rotation, right? So if you have a magnetic field pointing this way, when this thing spins 180 degrees, it's changed one area of flux. And then when it spins 360, which is a full rotation, it'll have changed twice. Okay? So I'm going to say that d phi dt is equal to 2A times the frequency. Does that make sense? Oh, and then times B, sorry. 2A times F times B. So, yeah, because flux, right, is B times A. And so then d flux dt is equal to basically B dA dt, but the area is changing twice in a single rotation. So that's why I put a 2 in front of it. Okay, cool. Okay, so I have this 95 turns of copper wire. Oh man, do I need to mess with that? Yes, you can do it without calculus if you want, yeah. Well, yeah. This was assuming that the armature has 95 turns. I wonder if I need the diameter copper wire. I don't know why that's needed. Unless I'm trying to figure out, you know, how long a loop is. Does that make sense? I'm just going to assume it's 95. I'm going to assume I don't need it. I'm just going to say I don't. I'm just going to say I don't. Okay. But then this is weird. Consider the resistance of the wire on the armature. Because I would like to say that this is just equal to 12. Right? I don't know how to consider the resistance of the wire on the armature unless they're making me do this with resistance, right, is equal to rho L. You know what I'm talking about? Like, I need to know the length of wire and then the resistance per unit length, and then I multiply it. Is that what they want you to do, Yucky? I have to know, like, how in depth you're, like, how many things am I allowed to ignore before I have to start really. Yeah, maybe you need a resistance table. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Okay. So yeah, this is where things can get kind of funky. Okay. So to calculate the resistance of the copper wire, you have to use this. Where that's 1.72 times 10 to the minus 8. So rho is equal to 1.72 times 10 to the minus 8, right? And then, so A, that tells me that has to do with the wire. So A is equal to pi, and then it's 59 times 10 to the minus 3 all over 2 squared. That's for this one. So it's rho L over A. This is A of the wire. And then the length of the wire, ninety-five turns. Okay. So length of wire. That's gonna be. That's the number of turns times the diameter of the wire. So times the 59 times 10 to the minus 3. Do you get that, right? Because it's like the number of these. So if each one of these is a certain diameter of wire, sorry, it's a certain diameter of the copper, and then you multiply by n to get like the length. I think that's what we're doing. Okay, so that's 95. So 95 times 59 times 10 to the minus 3. Okay. That's L, that's A, and that's rho. Okay, so R is equal to... Man, this is a bender of a question. Is this mastering physics? This is just annoying. E to the negative 8 times 95 times 59 e to the negative 3 divided by pi Oh, yeah, appreciate that, dog, dude. Yeah, thanks, dude. I was watching your shorts on Asymptotes and noticed you were live, and so I thought I'd say it really helped me. Appreciate you. Yeah, dude, thanks, man. Yeah, that's why I make those. So I can help people when I'm not streaming free homework help. Man, this one's a pain. Okay, one sec. That and I'm gonna do that squared, and then I'm gonna divide it by 4, because I'm gonna do the divide by 2 squared. Okay, cool. Yeah. Okay. All right. It's such a low resistance, anyways, man. Are they really busting our balls over this, dude? Really? Okay. It's like micro ohms. Okay. So that's 1.76 times 10 to the minus 5 ohms. This, I don't think we need to consider this, dude. That is so small. That's a very small resistance. I think we just need to do this. Yeah, okay. It's all coming up Milton, dude. All right, so 12 is equal to 2 times 0.05 squared times F times 0.6. So then I just solve for F. If you wanted to account for it, did you ever think you would see a problem like this again? What do you mean, in like my life? Like, of course. I tutor physics. I teach a lot of physics. So I'm teaching at UCLA next quarter for physics. So, yes, but also this is just painful. I don't know why they're giving you this question. There's just too much involved, you know. Okay. And then divided by 0.05 to the second. Okay. So I get approximately 4,000 hertz. That's what I get. Okay. That's what I think it is. Again, technically the whatever, the loopy wire stuff, that would like mess with it. But I don't want it to. It's so small. It's so tiny. Yeah, that's really cool. Why did you get into education? I got into education because during my PhD, I was tutoring a lot of kids to help pay for my rent in Los Angeles because it's expensive. And while I was doing it, I was kind of recognizing that a lot of the help I was giving was to kids who could really only afford me. And so I wanted to be able to help out kids that couldn't. And that's why I made this like little nonprofit thing to do this. Also, I just like teaching. Teaching's great, dude. It's very satisfying and stuff. Yeah, what's up?
I actually got a question for you. When is your birthday?
My birthday's April 5th.
Oh, alright. This next month.
It's coming up. Let's see.
I feel
This
like-
question actually does come up on Chegg. I do want to see. Well, I need to log into Chegg real quick.
I've been on the server for a couple of years now.
You have, man. Yeah.
It's like I feel like I've never been with you for your birthday. I feel like I've never been with you for your birthday.
I've
online.
definitely streamed on my birthday before. I'm pretty sure I have.
Oh,
Yeah, it
Where
says
did everyone go?
I guarantee it does say it's incorrect because there's probably one. This is why I hate mastering physics, dude. Is because it's probably off by like one little number because I don't want to account for the resistance in the wire because it's so small. All right, one sec.
Okay. I apologize I can't be here for your birthday. I mean, April 5th is probably a day that I'll be working, so
It's okay, guys.
Stream.
I don't think I'm gonna stream on my birthday either because it's a Saturday, and I will be in San Diego partying.
Oh, dang, all right.
Let me see, Yucky. Let me see what they do for this question. I'm just curious. Can I please like log into my account, dude? Chegg, fix your stuff, dude. Oh my god.
No, it's your bank account.
Yeah, no bank accounts for you guys. It's also empty. Okay, here we go. I want to see how they did it. Okay. Calculate the area of the side. Cool. I got that. And then to calculate the frequency, they just do this. So they do NBA omega. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Wait. They use N as one sec. Interesting. Oh, okay. So we don't need the. Okay. Again, this is worded weirdly. I would have loved to see a diagram on this. Really. Okay, but I think I kind of. Well, actually, this has a downvote, so that's actually suspectual. So maybe they're wrong. So someone else also had kind of a different idea of how to attack this problem, but there's no real diagram for it. It's annoying. Yes, they were thinking it's just a loop this way. I want to see what these people have. Here we go. This has 2 thumbs up. Okay. So let's see what they have. So they say resistance to the wire. Cool. L equals N. N times 4. 4 times 8. Why? Length of wire is N. Okay. Oh, okay. And then the resistivity of the wire. Yeah. Current through the wire is that. Now net voltage is voltage above voltage of wire. See, yeah, they account for that. Yeah. Oh, man. Okay. You want me to explain this to you? There's so many parts to this. I'll do this, and then this is my last question for the day. I have to go after this. Because we've been streaming for a while. I'm sorry. I'm very tired. Nick says, no. It's not like Darth Vader.
Bro.
I know. I'm just exhausted. Okay. One sec. All right. How this works? Well, here, Nick. I'll stick around and do a couple yours. It's okay.
They're easy. You can just
yours are easy.
through them
It's
all.
I'll do them. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. Here's what's happening. Now that I understand what this picture looks like. There's no fucking picture on this. Like, so I don't really know how this is. This right here is a loop, and then they're doing this 95 times. Okay? That's looping around 95 times. All right? So, the first thing I'm going to do is calculate the resistance of the wire. Sure. So, R is equal to rho L over A, where L is the length of the wire. L equals length of wire. That's going to be equal to the number of loops times 4 times the side, because each loop has 4 sides. So that's going to be 95 times 4 times 0.05. Okay. Okay. 95 times 4 times 0.05. That's gonna get me 9. One sec, we gotta relog in. We've been at this for too long. It's mad at me. One sec. Okay. No. Where is it? Okay. All right, we're back. Okay. So 94 times 4 times 0.05, that equals 19 meters. 19 meters is equal to L. Rho. Okay. And then, okay. A is pi over 4 d squared, where d is the diameter of the wire. Okay. I think they had the same units for that, right? 59? Yeah. Okay, cool. Alright, so then A. Can you explain where the e to the ix cosine x plus I sine x comes from in differential equations? It comes from things in polar coordinates. One sec. If you have real and imaginary, and you have something here, right? Then e to the I theta is the same thing as, this is going to be cosine of theta, and then this is going to be sine of theta, and then because it's in the imaginary, it's I sine theta. That's where it kind of comes from. Just quick explanation for it. Okay. Okay. We're going to take their number here, which is going to be because they're using the same numbers for the 59 mils. So 2734 times 10 to the minus 6. And then this, they have is 1.68 times 10 to the minus 8, which I don't think I had here. See, here I had 1.72. That's the other thing, bro. Dude, fuck mastering physics. Because that difference of 1.68 and 1.72 will mess up the answer. But it has to be like whatever mastering physics thinks the resistivity of copper is. Which, again, kind of depends on temperature, depends on a lot of things. Like, what's the alloy, you know? Okay. So 1.68, all right, times 0.2734 e to the negative 6. Or no, sine, okay, divided by. I do cover a lot of math questions, yeah, I do a lot. We're doing physics right now. Also, if you want to know when we stream, okay, there's a calendar, which I'll send to you guys. That's the calendar. Why is it not showing this? Yeah. So here you go. This is the calendar. Okay, sorry, where was I? Okay. That. Sorry, so 1.68 times 10 to the minus 8 divided by 2.6 734 e to the minus 6. Good. Equals that. Times 19. And that's going to give me 1.68. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Get some sleep. So that's 1.68. 1.16. Sorry. 1.168 ohms. Wait. Yeah. Ohms. Okay, cool. All right, so we got the resistance of the wire. So current through the wire, yes. Remember that current times voltage is equal to power. So power over voltage is equal to current, right? And so that's equal to they said 25 watts at 12 volts. Yeah, 25-hour strain, yeah. 25 over 12. So that's equal to 2.08. So now, yeah, the net voltage in the circuit. So the net current is going to be the voltage of the bulb, which is 12 volts, plus the voltage of the wire, which is equal to I times R. So that's going to be this times this. So that times 2.08 is going to be that, and then plus 12. So this is 2.43. So this is equal to 14.43 volts. This is the total amount of voltage we need. Okay. Now we can go do the fucking simple ass shit we had here. Okay. Which is yeah, so the 14.43 is equal to 2 pi f. Wait, why are they putting 2 pi there? One sec. They use omega.
Sigma boy.
Sigma boy, yeah, dude. What? Wait. I thought it would just be NB2FA. Why is there a pi in there as well? I don't know if I agree with the pi. But okay, whatever. Let's do it the way they do it. I'm just gonna trust them with this formula. They say that voltage is equal to NB omega A. And then omega is equal to 2 pi f. And if we don't get that right, I'm going to take the pi out. So this is equal to... N is 1. And we know that E equals 2 to the 1/2 VC. Wait, what? Where are they getting this from, dude? What? EMF of a generator I do not know this one. Square root of 2 VC? This is very specific, dude. What? One sec. That's like some engineering shit. Where's that square root of 2 coming from? If it's an RMS thing, then I agree with it. Yeah. Oh, you know why this is, by the way? Dude, this is really messed up. Yucky. So, yeah, watch this. This is very specific. Okay. So, when this generator generates electricity, it's going to oscillate like this, like an alternating current. And eventually what this would do is this would provide what's called like an RMS power, which is equal to, I think it's 1 over the square root of 2 of E. This is like what the actual power is. Have you seen that before, Yucky? Like, so RMS. It's the difference between RMS and max voltage. Yeah, it has to do with this. So voltage RMS is 1 over the square root of 2, the peak voltage, and then the peak voltage is what happens from the d phi dt times n. Okay. Man, that's so mean. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Right, okay. So 14.43 is going to equal to the voltage like peak over the square root of 2. So voltage peak is 14.43 times the square root of 2. Okay, so that's going to be a bigger number now. So this times the square root of 2. So that's 20.40. So 20.40 divided by 2 pi 75. What did they have for 75? Sorry, what was that? What was their thing for 75? Number of turns. Okay, fine. So it's 2 pi. Our number of turns was 95. Where's the 0.6 coming from? Oh, 0.6 Tesla. That's the magnetic field. Okay. And then 64 times 10 to the minus 4. Okay, so let's see. Jesus. Okay. This divided by 2 times pi times 95 times 0.6 times 64 e to the minus 6. Oh, that looks really bad. Or, no, sorry. I fucked this up. E to the minus 4. Okay. I get 8.90 hertz. Is that correct, Yucky? Tell me if 8.90 is correct. This has been hurting me. I hate you, mastering physics. I hate you so much. Hurts or hurts? Yeah, it definitely hurts. It 1 over seconds hurts. Yeah. Hurts. 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 It all hurts me. Okay. I'm gonna tell Lucky in the chat. I'm gonna tell him if he sees it. And then what do we get? 8.90. Incorrect. I don't think there's a 2 pi. 1 sec. Yeah, he did say I was wrong. Okay. Man, I wanted to get this one for you, dude. Let's see, what was different about ours? 0.59. Did we also have 8 centimeters? Oh, you know why? One sec. Ours are only 5 centimeters. One sec. So this is gonna be 25. I'm just gonna burn through all your attempts, but I think we're gonna get it. One sec. 95 turns. Yes. Okay, let's try this. One sec. Okay. Try, how many? 2 significant figures? 2 sig figs would be 23, right? So, yeah, I think this is, one sec. Okay. I swear we'll get this. Or we won't. I feel for you guys. It's so painful to like go through this homework. It's not fun, and you're not learning anything, honestly. Correct? Woo!
That's dope.
I am magical. Dude, yes. Dude, yeah. Lil Yachty's coming after that fucking one, dude.
Let's see, Paul.
Actually very intelligent. Yeah, that is why we are actual education. Dude, fuck this question, dude. Okay, yeah. Yes, glad you got that. Glad we got it right. It's terrible, but see, I would rather you understand the concepts and stuff rather than this be some game and impossible puzzle to figure out like which little decimal or number didn't work. Because like, bro, if you just like did that and someone actually graded it and they saw your partial credit, you would get most of it right. But with mastering physics, it's either all or nothing. Like,
Disqualified.
I fucking hate it. So yeah, anyways, yeah, congrats. I'm gonna help out Nick with a couple more questions. Let's help out Nick. Yeah, the OChem yucky, I'll have to do it at another point. I very much appreciate it, and you really helped me work it out. Okay, awesome, dude. Yeah, you're very welcome, dude. Yeah, I had fun. I learned more reasons of why I hate mastering physics, but it was a nice refresh of some E&M. The E&M was cool, but but the mastering, dude. There's so many tricks in that question, dude. Like, first of all, you had to remember that they were looking for RMS voltage, which is 1 over the square root of 2 of what the peak voltage is. And then, yeah, dude, the resistance in the wire. And then I had to know exactly what the resistance density was for copper, which varies on the internet, dude. Like, right? Watch, if I do say, like, resistivity of copper, this says it's 1.68. And then they'll say whatever. Okay. Yeah, anyways, you're good. It's okay. I've been great. Yes. Yeah, good night. Good night. Yeah, you're good. Okay. All right. What's up, Nick? Which one you need help with?
The rest.
The rest.
There's a few.
Is it this? Is it drilling the holes?
Yes. There's only a few on there.
Okay.
One of the questions is so retarded. You'll see why in a second.
Okay.
Like you
without changing the without changing drill bits question, dude. Is it the without changing drill bits?
No, it's a different one. It's like you see the answer right in front of you, but the answer is not what is right in front of you.
Okay, let's look at this. All right. Questions 9 through 17 are based on the following sketch showing a track with these instructions. Refer to the sketch when answering. Okay, dude, who made this fucking diagram? Like a fucking 4th grader? What? Excuse me? Is this goddamn finger painting skills? Like, that's supposed to be something? That's supposed to be something? Bro, what? Excuse me?
Yeah.
Dude, no. No, bro.
Apparently, one of them is not supposed to be there.
One big pile of shit.
You'll see.
That's
in
one
a
big pile of shit, dude. What the fuck?
second. For real.
Okay. All right. The total number of holes to be drilled down to 1/2 inch. Oh. To 1/2 inch from the bottom. Okay.
So 5.5.
So 5.5 inches, which is this one. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I guess maybe this one's something different. This one doesn't count,
Wrong.
maybe. I think this one doesn't count. So 1, 2, 3,
I don't
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, whatever. This one doesn't count, I guess, because it wasn't drawn correctly. All right, that's why it's 9. Completely through the tie. That's okay. Oh, they say the diameter of the holes. Well, that's 1 inch, right? 1 inch is drilled completely through the tie. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that one I was a little confused.
Okay. And then the
Okay,
4-inch
I got
diameter holes. The 4-inch diameter holes. There are no 4-inch diameter holes.
Yeah, this one was confusing also. It was like,
No, they fucked up. This is supposed to be the 1/2 inch diameter.
yeah.
Okay, whatever. The maximum number of holes that can be drilled in the tie without without changing drill bits.
But there's
It's
10.
9. It's 9. Because
like the question number 9. It's supposed to be 10.
wait. Question. This answer is supposed to be 10?
It's supposed to be because there's 10 circles.
Yeah, this one doesn't count, bro. For whatever reason, this one does not count.
Weird.
Okay. Trackman manual has no mistakes, good sir. Yeah. I pray
no
for
way.
our railroad workers of the US.
Yo, with what I see is very yeah.
Okay, cool. All right. Is that all of them?
Think so.
Okay, nice. Good job. Okay, cool. Awesome.
I don't think you did the second page.
What's
Wait.
up?
No, you didn't. Okay, never mind.
Okay, cool. Okay, cool. All
Thank you
right.
so much.
You're very welcome. All right. It's been almost 3 hours. I need to go eat because I got to go teach another student chem. So let's close up the stream. All right. Thank you everyone for coming to Actual Education Office Hours. Had a lot of fun with you guys, going through all the questions, learning a bunch of stuff. You guys great, awesome. No streams for the rest of the week. That was the last one. But if you want to find out the next time we are streaming and get help with your classes, there's a calendar right there. The next homework help stream is going to be on Monday. So that'll be at 3 o'clock Pacific, 4 p.m. Mountain, 5 p.m. Central, 6 p.m. Eastern. And then, yeah, if you haven't already, join our Discord. The link is right there. And that's the best way for you to get up-to-date announcements about what we're doing. And also, you can win gift cards and things for interacting and doing well in school. Anyways, and come by on Friday, because that is going to be Zach's Pi Day awesome, fun trivia games. We're going to have fun, a lot of fun doing that. So let's do that. Quick E&M question. Looking to review some E&M. I have Jackson. Bro, no. Dude, Jackson is nightmare mode. Please do not do Jackson. Do Griffiths. Yes, Griffiths is much better. Jackson is nightmare mode E&M. You do not want to do that. Yeah, if you want to, this is kind of the gold standard for undergrad E&M. It's Griffiths. Adar says, are you going to stream on Friday or not? I'm leaning towards no. You don't want to ruin your streak, I know. I'm leaning towards no. But if I do, I will let you guys know ahead of time. I'll give you at least like an hour or two notice. Okay? But I'm leaning towards no. Okay, but yeah, this is the book you want to do. That's a good E&M book. Okay, cool. All right, let's go raid somebody. It's Wednesday. Raid a Roonies. Who are we following today? Merryweather's doing stuff. Tinker's at a hotel. Moo Hoodles is talking about space. Yeah, let's go say hi to Moo Hoodles. Moo Hoodles is fun.
I think I made my own a whole new formula. I tried to answer one of the questions you helped me a few weeks ago.
Uh-huh.
I made a whole new formula.
Oh man. Whatever works.
Please
Yeah.
Please look at this because I'm so confused what I did.
Okay, I'll take a look. Just DM it to me. All right. Good luck on your test, though, Nick. And yeah. All right. Thanks everyone for coming. We'll see you guys on Monday. Peace out.